GED Practice Test 2026 Full Course Free General Educational Development Certification Study Guide. Question 1. How are the words Wamam, kayak and noon alike? Option A. They are palindromes. Option B. They are anagrams. Option C. They are synonyms. Option D. They are homonyms. The correct answer is option A. They are palindromes. Palindromes are words that read the same forward and backward. Question 2. Who is the author of the pamphlet Common Sense? Option A. Thomas Paine. Option B. Thomas Jefferson. Option C. Benjamin Franklin. Option D. John Adams. The correct answer is option A. Thomas Paine. Thomas Paine wrote Common Sense in 1776 to advocate for independence from Great Britain. Question 3. Which of these is not a real species of shark? Option A. Tidriad shark. Option B. Hammerhead shark. Option C. Shovelhead shark. Option D. Tiger shark. The correct answer is option A. Tidriad shark. While hammerhead and shovelhead sharks exist, Tidriad is not a real shark species. Question 4. What is the force that slows down an object or stops its motion? Option A. Friction. Option B. Gravity. Option C. Inertia. Option D. Magnetism. The correct answer is option A. Friction. Friction is the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. Question 5. Which angle is greater than 90 degrees? Option A. Obtuse angle. Option B. Acute angle. Option C. Right angle. Option D. Straight angle. The correct answer is option A. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Question 6. What continent lies east of Europe? Option A. Asia. Option B. Africa. Option C. North America. Option D. Australia. The correct answer is option A. Asia. Asia is the massive continent located directly to the east of Europe. Question 7. Correct the verb in the sentence My friends have went to summer camp. Option A. My friends have gone to summer camp. Option B. My friends have go to summer camp. Option C. My friends have going to summer camp. Option D. My friends have goes to summer camp. The correct answer is option A. My friends have gone to summer camp. The past participle of the verb go is gone when used with the helping verb have. Question 8. Which government executive conducts most of their business in the Oval Office? Option A. President of the United States. Option B. Vice President. Option C. Speaker of the House. Option D. Chief Justice. The correct answer is option A. President of the United States. The Oval Office is the formal workspace of the President of the United States. Question 9. In chemistry, most elements are classified as which state of matter? Option A. Metals. Option B. Gases. Option C. Liquids. Option D. Plasmas. The correct answer is option A. Metals. The majority of the elements on the periodic table are metals. Question 10. If your class is chatting online with an author in real time, that means it is happening now. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option A. True. Real time refers to the actual time during which a process or event occurs. Question 11. Do you wear a belt around your waist or your waist? Option A. Waist. Option B. Waist. Option C. Wust. Option D. Waist. The correct answer is option A. Waist. Waist, spelled waist, refers to the part of the body between the chest and hips. Question 12. Where were the first shots fired that began the American Revolutionary War? Option A. Lexington, Massachusetts. Option B. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Option C. Boston, Massachusetts. Option D. Yorktown, Virginia. The correct answer is option A. Lexington, Massachusetts. The battles of Lexington and Concord marked the start of the American Revolutionary War. Question 13. Which of these is considered a cardiovascular exercise? Option A. Jumping rope. Option B. Lifting weights. Option C. Yoga. Option D. Stretching. The correct answer is option A, jumping rope. Cardiovascular exercises like jumping rope increase your heart rate and improve heart health. Question 14. What large muscle helps you breathe in and out? Option A, the diaphragm. Option B, the heart. Option C, the gluteus maximus. Option D, the bicep. The correct answer is option A, the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that contracts and flattens to allow the lungs to fill with air. Question 15. A number that is divided by another number is called the divisor. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. The number being divided is the dividend while the number doing the dividing is the divisor. Question 16. Classify these mountain ranges from lowest to highest elevation. Option A, Appalachian, Sierra Nevada and Rockies. Option B, Rockies, Sierra Nevada and Appalachians. Option C, Sierra Nevada, Rockies and Appalachians. Option D, Appalachians, Rockies and Sierra Nevada. The correct answer is option A, Appalachian, Sierra Nevada and Rockies. The Appalachians are the oldest and lowest while the Rockies and Sierra Nevada are much taller and younger. Question 17. Is the sentence "the angry sky dumped water on us" an example of personification or metaphor? Option A, personification. Option B, metaphor. Option C, simile. Option D, hyperbole. The correct answer is option A, personification. Personification gives human qualities like anger to non-human things like the sky. Question 18. In what city was George Washington sworn in as the first United States President? Option A, New York City. Option B, Washington District of Columbia. Option C, Philadelphia. Option D, Boston. The correct answer is option A, New York City. New York City served as the first capital of the United States under the Constitution. Question 19. What simple machine consists of a wheel and a rope? Option A, pulley. Option B, lever. Option C, gear. Option D, inclined plane. The correct answer is option A, pulley. A pulley uses a wheel and a rope to lift heavy loads by changing the direction of the force. Question 20. What is the tallest mountain in the United States? Option A, Mount McKinley. Option B, Mount Rainier. Option C, Mount Whitney. Option D, Mount Elbert. The correct answer is option A, Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley, also known as Denali, is the highest peak in North America. Question 21. Which sentence uses a linking verb? Option A, Joe feels awful. Option B, Joe feels the dog fur. Option C, Joe pet the dog. Option D, Joe ran home. The correct answer is option A, Joe feels awful. In the sentence Joe feels awful, the verb feels links the subject to a descriptor. Question 22. What inventor used a steam engine to give greater power to boats? Option A, Robert Fulton. Option B, Eli Whitney. Option C, Thomas Edison. Option D, James Watt. The correct answer is option A, Robert Fulton. Robert Fulton is credited with developing the first commercially successful steamboat. Question 23. If your tea is decaffeinated, it has caffeine in it. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Decaffeinated means that most of the caffeine has been removed. Question 24. Do most of your muscles work individually or in pairs? Option A, in pairs. Option B, individually. Option C, in groups of 3. Option D, in groups of 5. The correct answer is option A, in pairs. Muscles typically work in pairs, such as the biceps and triceps, to move limbs. Question 25. What is the product of 80 multiplied by 7? Option A, 560. Option B, 540. Option C, 480. Option D, 600. The correct answer is option A, 560. 80 times 7 equals 560. Question 26. On a map, the numbered and lettered squares form a pattern called a what? Option A, grid. Option B, legend. Option C, scale. Option D, compass. The correct answer is option A, grid. A grid system helps users locate specific points on a map using coordinates. Question 27. What is the homonym pair for a bus cost that is reasonable? Option A, fair fare. Option B, fair fare. Option C, fear fare. Option D, fair fear. The correct answer is option B, fair fare. Fare refers to the price of travel while fare refers to something being reasonable. Question 28. When the Aztecs were conquered by the Spanish, who was their chief? Option A, Montezuma. Option B, Atahualpa. Option C, Tecumseh. Option D, Jaramillo. The correct answer is option A, Montezuma. Montezuma II was the ruler of Tenochtitlan during the Spanish conquest. Question 29. In chemistry, what does the symbol C stand for? Option A, carbon. Option B, calcium. Option C, chlorine. Option D, copper. The correct answer is option A, carbon. C is the chemical symbol for the element carbon. Question 30. What sport has been around the longest? Option A, ice skating. Option B, roller skating. Option C, skateboarding. Option D, snowboarding. The correct answer is option A, ice skating. Ice skating dates back thousands of years to Northern Europe. Question 31. Use a conjunction to connect the sentences Jed was sick and now he is better. Option A, Jed was sick but now he is better. Option B, Jed was sick so now he is better. Option C, Jed was sick and now he is better. Option D, Jed was sick or now he is better. The correct answer is option A, Jed was sick but now he is better. The conjunction but shows a contrast between being sick and feeling better. Question 32. Are the opening words of the Constitution called the introduction or the preamble? Option A, the preamble. Option B, the introduction. Option C, the foreword. Option D, the prologue. The correct answer is option A, the preamble. The preamble begins with the famous phrase, "We the people." Question 33. To meditate, do you sit quietly or do you try to float in the air? Option A, you sit quietly and clear your mind. Option B, you try to float in the air. Option C, you run a marathon. Option D, you sing loudly. The correct answer is option A, you sit quietly and clear your mind. Meditation is a practice of mindfulness and mental clarity. Question 34. Which weather phenomenon forms over an ocean? Option A, a hurricane. Option B, a tornado. Option C, a blizzard. Option D, a dust storm. The correct answer is option A, a hurricane. Hurricanes are powerful tropical storms that form over warm ocean waters. Question 35. If a bus left at 12:45 in the afternoon and the trip took 4.5 hours, what time did it arrive? Option A, 5:15 in the evening. Option B, 4:45 in the evening. Option C, 5:45 in the evening. Option D, 6:15 in the evening. The correct answer is option A, 5:15 in the evening. Adding 4 hours and 30 minutes to 12:45 results in 5:15. Question 36. Name the largest mountain system on the continent of Europe. Option A, the Alps. Option B, the Pyrenees. Option C, the Carpathians. Option D, the Urals. The correct answer is option A, the Alps. The Alps are the highest and most extensive mountain range system in Europe. Question 37. Is a flashback a story interruption that gives past information or a brainstorm? Option A, an interruption giving past information. Option B, a brainstorm. Option C, a prediction of the future. Option D, a character introduction. The correct answer is option A, an interruption giving past information. Flashbacks are used in literature to provide background context to the current story. Question 38. Who led the Spanish army that conquered the Aztecs? Option A, Hernando Cortés. Option B, Francisco Pizarro. Option C, Juan Ponce de Leon. Option D, Vasco Núñez de Balboa. The correct answer is option A, Hernando Cortés. Cortés led the expedition that caused the fall of the Aztec Empire. Question 39. Which is the best conductor of electricity among these materials? Option A, copper. Option B, wood. Option C, ceramic. Option D, plastic. The correct answer is option A, copper. Copper is widely used in electrical wiring because it allows electricity to flow easily. Question 40. Is confetti bits of colored paper or very thin noodles? Option A, bits of colored paper. Option B, very thin noodles. Option C, small candies. Option D, types of fabric. The correct answer is option A, bits of colored paper. Confetti is commonly thrown at celebrations like weddings and parades. Question 41. What is the correct spelling of the noun that comes from the adjective silly? Option A, silliness. Option B, silliness. Option C, silliness. Option D, silliness. The correct answer is option A, silliness. When adding a suffix to a word ending in Y, you usually change the Y to an I. Question 42. In what war were the American forces called the Continental Army? Option A, the American Revolution. Option B, the Civil War. Option C, the War of 1812. Option D, the French and Indian War. The correct answer is option A, the American Revolution. The Continental Army was formed by the Second Continental Congress to fight Great Britain. Question 43. The bald eagle has no feathers on its head. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. The bald eagle has white feathers on its head which makes it appear bald from a distance. Question 44. During an equinox are the hours of daylight and darkness equal or unequal? Option A, equal. Option B, unequal. Option C, daylight is longer. Option D, darkness is longer. The correct answer is option A, equal. An equinox occurs twice a year when the sun is exactly above the equator. Question 45. What is the sum of $23.47 and $69.03? Option A, $92.50. Option B, $92. Option C, $93.50. Option D, $91.50. The correct answer is option A, $92.50. Adding these two amounts results in $92.50. Question 46. Which of these European cities has the largest population? Option A, London. Option B, Berlin. Option C, Paris. Option D, Rome. The correct answer is option A, London. London is one of the most populous and largest cities in Europe. Question 47. Should Tina lay or lie the pencil on the desk? Option A, lay. Option B, lie. Option C, lain. Option D, laid. The correct answer is option A, lay. To lay means to put or place something down. Question 48. What machine made the United States the largest producer of cotton in the 1800s? Option A, the cotton gin. Option B, the steam engine. Option C, the reaper. Option D, the spinning jenny. The correct answer is option A, the cotton gin. Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin which separated seeds from cotton fiber quickly. Question 49. Who discovered the law of gravity? Option A, Isaac Newton. Option B, Albert Einstein. Option C, Galileo Galilei. Option D, Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is option A, Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation. Question 50. Sapphire, turquoise and navy are all shades of what color? Option A, blue. Option B, green. Option C, purple. Option D, red. The correct answer is option A, blue. These names refer to various light and dark tones of the color blue. Question 51. What is the correct form of the verb to use in the sentence I have swum in the freezing water? Option A, swum. Option B, swam. Option C, swimmed. Option D, swummed. The correct answer is option A, swum. Swum is the past participle of the verb swim. Question 52. Was New Amsterdam a city or a colony in early America? Option A, a city. Option B, a colony. Option C, a state. Option D, a continent. The correct answer is option A, a city. New Amsterdam was a 17th century Dutch settlement that eventually became New York City. Question 53. If someone says your epidermis is showing, what body part do they mean? Option A, your skin. Option B, your hair. Option C, your teeth. Option D, your fingernails. The correct answer is option A, your skin. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin. Question 54. Are the worker bees in a hive male or female? Option A, female. Option B, male. Option C, both. Option D, neither. The correct answer is option A, female. Worker bees are all female and perform tasks like foraging and cleaning. Question 55. If a band has 3 drums and 3 flutes, what is the ratio of drums to flutes? Option A, 1:1. Option B, 3:1. Option C, 1:3. Option D, 2:1. The correct answer is option A, 1:1. Since the numbers are equal, the ratio simplifies to 1:1. Question 56. What city in Missouri is famous for its Gateway Arch? Option A, St. Louis. Option B, Kansas City. Option C, Springfield. Option D, Jefferson City. The correct answer is option A, St. Louis. The Gateway Arch is a monument symbolizing the westward expansion of the United States. Question 57. Which type of poetry is usually humorous? Option A, a limerick. Option B, a haiku. Option C, free verse. Option D, a sonnet. The correct answer is option A, a limerick. Limericks are 5-line poems with a specific rhythm and AABBA rhyme scheme. Question 58. Did Cyrus McCormick invent the Reaper or the elevator? Option A, the Reaper. Option B, the elevator. Option C, the cotton gin. Option D, the telephone. The correct answer is option A, the Reaper. The mechanical reaper revolutionized farming by making grain harvesting faster. Question 59. What part of a flowering plant contains the embryo? Option A, a seed. Option B, the petal. Option C, the stem. Option D, the root. The correct answer is option A, a seed. A seed protects and provides food for the developing plant embryo. Question 60. Is the holiday of Yom Kippur observed by Jews or by Christians? Option A, by Jews. Option B, by Christians. Option C, by Muslims. Option D, by Buddhists. The correct answer is option A, by Jews. Yom Kippur is the holiest day of the year in Judaism, known as the Day of Atonement. Question 61. In the sentence I will read you the story, which word is the indirect object? Option A, you. Option B, read. Option C, story. Option D, hi. The correct answer is option A, you. The indirect object you indicates to whom the story is being read. Question 62. Who won World War II? Option A, the Allies. Option B, the Axis. Option C, the Central Powers. Option D, the Union. The correct answer is option A, the Allies. The Allied powers, including the United States and Great Britain, won the war in 1945. Question 63. Find the misfit in this group: Bach, Chopin, Picasso, and Schubert. Option A, Picasso. Option B, Bach. Option C, Chopin. Option D, Schubert. The correct answer is option A, Picasso. Picasso was a painter while the others were famous musical composers. Question 64. What do rocks turn into when they erode over long periods of time? Option A, sand. Option B, water. Option C, lava. Option D, metal. The correct answer is option A, sand. Erosion breaks rocks down into tiny particles known as sand. Question 65. How many zeros are there in the number 735 million? Option A, 6. Option B, 7. Option C, 8. Option D 9. The correct answer is option A, 6. 1 million has 6 zeros, so 735 million also has 6 zeros after the hundreds place. Question 66. Which state does not border California? Option A, Washington. Option B, Nevada. Option C, Arizona. Option D, Oregon. The correct answer is option A, Washington. California is bordered by Oregon, Nevada, and Arizona, but not Washington state. Question 67. There is no real English word that rhymes with orange. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Orange is famously known for having no perfect rhyming word in the English language. Question 68. Which country fought against the United States in World War I? Option A, Germany. Option B, Russia. Option C, France. Option D, Great Britain. The correct answer is option A, Germany. Germany was a primary antagonist of the Allied powers during World War I. Question 69. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? Option A, 8 minutes. Option B, 8 seconds. Option C, 8 days. Option D, 8 hours. The correct answer is option A, 8 minutes. Sunlight travels at the speed of light and takes about 8 minutes to cross the distance to Earth. Question 70. Which of these animals is not currently endangered? Option A, emperor penguins. Option B, blue whales. Option C, Asian elephants. Option D, mountain gorillas. The correct answer is option A, emperor penguins. While some penguin species are threatened, emperor penguins are not currently listed as endangered. Question 71. Complete this analogy: high is to low as tall is to what? Option A, short. Option B, big. Option C, wide. Option D, long. The correct answer is option A, short. Tall and short are opposites, just like high and low. Question 72. How many years are in a millennium? Option A, 1000. Option B, 100. Option C, 10. Option D, 1 million. The correct answer is option A, 1000. A millennium is a period consisting of 1000 years. Question 73. Was gunpowder invented in Egypt, China, or India? Option A, China. Option B, Egypt. Option C, India. Option D, Greece. The correct answer is option A, China. Gunpowder was invented by Chinese alchemists in the 9th century. Question 74. What is the largest organ of the human body? Option A, the skin. Option B, the liver. Option C, the lungs. Option D, the brain. The correct answer is option A, the skin. The skin covers the entire body and is considered its largest organ. Question 75. Round to the nearest hundred, then estimate the difference between 669 and 435. Option A, 300. Option B, 200. Option C, 400. Option D, 100. The correct answer is option A, 300. 700 minus 400 equals 300. Question 76. If you fly from Boston to Los Angeles, how many time zones do you travel through? Option A, 4. Option B, 1. Option C, 2. Option D, 3. The correct answer is option A, 4. The continental United States has 4 main time zones. Question 77. What is another word for sad that is also the name of a color? Option A, blue. Option B, green. Option C, red. Option D, yellow. The correct answer is option A, blue. Feeling blue is a common idiom for feeling sad. Question 78. Which president was once the governor of Arkansas? Option A, Bill Clinton. Option B, Jimmy Carter. Option C, George Bush. Option D, Ronald Reagan. The correct answer is option A, Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton served as governor of Arkansas before becoming the 42nd president. Question 79. What do you call a plant that comes from two different species of plants? Option A, a hybrid. Option B, a clone. Option C, a weed. Option D, a parasite. The correct answer is option A, a hybrid. A hybrid is the offspring of two plants or animals of different species or varieties. Question 80. In what game is a plastic disc tossed between players? Option A, frisbee. Option B, soccer. Option C, tennis. Option D, baseball. The correct answer is option A, frisbee. Frisbee is a popular game played with a flying disc. Question 81. Change the verb to the future tense for the sentence people live on Mars. Option A, people will live on Mars. Option B, people lived on Mars. Option C, people are living on Mars. Option D, people have lived on Mars. The correct answer is option A, people will live on Mars. The future tense uses the helping verb will. Question 82. Who sailed to North America first among these groups? Option A, the Vikings. Option B, the Dutch. Option C, the Portuguese. Option D, the English. The correct answer is option A, the Vikings. Leif Erikson and the Vikings reached North America long before Columbus. Question 83. Who was the Roman goddess of love and beauty? Option A, Venus. Option B, Minerva. Option C, Juno. Option D, Diana. The correct answer is option A, Venus. Venus is the Roman equivalent of the Greek goddess Aphrodite. Question 84. Wood is a renewable resource. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Trees can be replanted and grown again, making wood a renewable resource. Question 85. If your album has 6 photos per page, on which page is the 45th photo? Option A, the 8th page. Option B, the 7th page. Option C, the 9th page. Option D, the 6th page. The correct answer is option A, the 8th page. 7 pages hold 42 photos, so the 45th photo must be on page 8. Question 86. Which ocean borders Australia to the south and west? Option A, the Indian Ocean. Option B, the Pacific Ocean. Option C, the Atlantic Ocean. Option D, the Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option A, the Indian Ocean. Australia is surrounded by the Indian Ocean to the west and the Pacific to the east. Question 87. How is the word boulevard abbreviated in addresses? Option A, BLVD. Option B, BLV. Option C, BLD. Option D, BOUL. The correct answer is option A, BLVD. BLVD is the standard postal abbreviation for boulevard. Question 88. Did Peter Stuyvesant govern Plymouth, New Netherlands or Jamestown? Option A, New Netherlands. Option B, Plymouth. Option C, Jamestown. Option D, Roanoke. The correct answer is option A, New Netherlands. Stuyvesant was the last Dutch Director General of the colony of New Netherlands. Question 89. Which state of matter expands the most when it is heated? Option A, a gas. Option B, a liquid. Option C, a solid. Option D, a plasma. The correct answer is option A, a gas. Gas molecules move rapidly and spread out significantly when heated. Question 90. What part of your body moves when you shrug? Option A, the shoulders. Option B, the knees. Option C, the elbows. Option D, the ankles. The correct answer is option A, the shoulders. Shrugging involves lifting the shoulders to express doubt or indifference. Question 91. Change the verbs to the past tense for the sentence "The baby repeats whatever we say." Option A, the baby repeated whatever we said. Option B, the baby repeat whatever we say. Option C, the baby repeating whatever we saying. Option D, the baby repeats what we said. The correct answer is option A, the baby repeated whatever we said. Repeated and said are the past tense forms of repeat and say. Question 92. Name the power the president has to prevent a bill from becoming law. Option A, the power of veto. Option B, the power of pardon. Option C, the power of treaty. Option D, the power of appointment. The correct answer is option A, the power of veto. A veto allows the president to reject a bill passed by Congress. Question 93. Who advises actors on how to play their parts? Option A, the director. Option B, the producer. Option C, the writer. Option D, the editor. The correct answer is option A, the director. The director is responsible for the creative vision and coaching the actors. Question 94. Does your cranium protect your brain, your heart, or your intestines? Option A, your brain. Option B, your heart. Option C, your intestines. Option D, your lungs. The correct answer is option A, your brain. The cranium is the part of the skull that encloses the brain. Question 95. Bill spent $3.55 on lunch and has $4.23 left. How much did he start with? Option A, $7.78. Option B, $7. Option C, $8. Option D, $6.78. The correct answer is option A, $7.78. Adding the spent amount and the remaining amount gives the starting total. Question 96. About how long is the Oregon Trail? Option A, 2,000 miles. Option B, 200 miles. Option C, 500 miles. Option D, 10,000 miles. The correct answer is option A, 2,000 miles. The Oregon Trail was a major route for settlers traveling to the American West. Question 97. If a blob is blobby and another is blobbier, what is the third? Option A, a blobbyist. Option B, more blobby. Option C, most blobby. Option D, blobbierist. The correct answer is option A, blobbyist. Blobbyist is the superlative form of the adjective blobby. Question 98. In what year did Barack Obama take office as the first African American president? Option A, 2009. Option B, 2008. Option C, 2010. Option D, 2012. The correct answer is option A, 2009. Barack Obama was inaugurated in January of 2009. Question 99. Fog is actually a stratus cloud close to the ground. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Fog forms when water vapor condenses near the Earth's surface. Question 100. Which musical instrument does not have a reed? Option A, a flute. Option B, a clarinet. Option C, a saxophone. Option D, an oboe. The correct answer is option A, a flute. A flute is a woodwind instrument that produces sound by blowing air across an opening. Question 101. How many languages does a trilingual person speak? Option A, 3. Option B, 2. Option C, 1. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option A, 3. The prefix tri means 3. Question 102. In 1790, what United States city did Benjamin Banneker help plan? Option A, Washington District of Columbia. Option B, New York City. Option C, Philadelphia. Option D, Baltimore. The correct answer is option A, Washington District of Columbia. Banneker was a free African American astronomer and surveyor who helped map the capital. Question 103. In what religion is Ramadan a holy month of fasting? Option A, Islam. Option B, Judaism. Option C, Christianity. Option D, Buddhism. The correct answer is option A, Islam. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar observed by Muslims worldwide. Question 104. When a person has tuberculosis, what part of the body is primarily affected? Option A, the lungs. Option B, the heart. Option C, the liver. Option D, the stomach. The correct answer is option A, the lungs. Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection that usually attacks the lungs. Question 105. What four coins are equal to the decimal 0.04? Option A, for pennies, option B, for nickels, option C, for dimes, option D, for quarters. The correct answer is option A, for pennies. Each penny is worth 1 cent or 0.01. Question 106. Were the Hawaiian Islands formed by volcanoes, tidal waves, or glaciers? Option A, volcanoes, option B, tidal waves, option C, glaciers, option D, earthquakes. The correct answer is option A, volcanoes. The islands were created by volcanic activity over a hotspot in the ocean floor. Question 107. Which words correctly fill the blanks in the sentence? What around the corner to see the mountain? What? Option A, peak and peak, option B, peak and peak, option C, peak and peak, option D, peak and peak. The correct answer is option A, peak and peak. Peak means to look and peak means the top of a mountain. Question 108. Why did Southerners of the 1850s refer to cotton as King Cotton? Option A, because it was their most important crop, option B, because it was purple, option C, because a king invented it, option D, because it was very tall. The correct answer is option A, because it was their most important crop. Cotton was the backbone of the Southern economy and its most valuable export. Question 109. What is the name of our galaxy? Option A, the Milky Way, option B, Andromeda, option C, the Solar System, option D, the Black Hole. The correct answer is option A, the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy that contains our solar system. Question 110. In what year was Osama bin Laden killed? Option A, 2011, option B, 21, option C, 2010, option D, 2012. The correct answer is option A, 2011. He was killed during a United States Special Operations raid in Pakistan. Question 111. Which word means the same as rot? Option A, decompose, option B, decompress, option C, develop, option D, decrease. The correct answer is option A, decompose. Decompose is the process of organic matter breaking down. Question 112. Where did Francisco Coronado lead expeditions in America? Option A, the Southwest, option B, the Northeast, option C, the Northwest, option D, the Southeast. The correct answer is option A, the Southwest. Coronado was a Spanish explorer who traveled through the American Southwest. Question 113. In what city can you watch an event at Yankee Stadium or Madison Square Garden? Option A, New York City, option B, Los Angeles, option C, Chicago, option D, Boston. The correct answer is option A, New York City. Both of these famous venues are located in New York City. Question 114. Does a space probe explore the Earth atmosphere or deep space? Option A, deep space, option B, Earth atmosphere, option C, the ocean, option D, the desert. The correct answer is option A, deep space. Space probes are robotic spacecraft sent to explore planets and outer space. Question 115. What is the product of 1 and 2/3 multiplied by 3/5? Option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 3, option D, half. The correct answer is option A, 1. 5/3 times 3/5 equals 15/15 or 1. Question 116. What is the collective name for the 5 lakes that include Lake Ontario? Option A, the Great Lakes, option B, the Finger Lakes, option C, the Salt Lakes, option D, the Deep Lakes. The correct answer is option A, the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes are Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. Question 117. Which 3 are vivid synonyms for tiny? Option A, teeny weeny, microscopic, and puny, option B, small, little, and mini, option C, huge, giant, and large, option D, average, medium, and standard. The correct answer is option A, teeny-weeny, microscopic and puny. Vivid synonyms add more descriptive detail than common words. Question 118. What United States document is known as the supreme law of the land? Option A, the Constitution. Option B, the Declaration of Independence. Option C, the Bill of Rights. Option D, the Articles of Confederation. The correct answer is option A, the Constitution. The Constitution establishes the framework of the United States government. Question 119. In the praying mantis world, which one sometimes eats the other after mating? Option A, the female eats the male. Option B, the male eats the female. Option C, the baby eats the parent. Option D, the parent eats the baby. The correct answer is option A, the female eats the male. This behavior is known as sexual cannibalism. Question 120. If you are a valedictorian, do you have the best or worst grades in your class? Option A, the best grades. Option B, the worst grades. Option C, average grades. Option D, failing grades. The correct answer is option A, the best grades. The valedictorian is usually the highest ranking student in a graduating class. Question 121. What is the superlative form of the adjective bad? Option A, worst. Option B, baddest. Option C, worse. Option D, most bad. The correct answer is option A, worst. Bad is an irregular adjective that changes to worst in its superlative form. Question 122. What speech by Abraham Lincoln begins with the words 7 years ago? Option A, the Gettysburg Address. Option B, the Emancipation Proclamation. Option C, the first inaugural address. Option D, the farewell address. The correct answer is option A, the Gettysburg Address. Lincoln delivered this speech in 1863 at the dedication of a military cemetery. Question 123. Name the largest snake on Earth. Option A, the anaconda. Option B, the king cobra. Option C, the python. Option D, the rattlesnake. The correct answer is option A, the anaconda. The green anaconda is the heaviest and one of the longest snakes in the world. Question 124. Which is a flow of electrons through a material? Option A, an electric current. Option B, static electricity. Option C, magnetism. Option D, gravity. The correct answer is option A, an electric current. Electric current is the continuous flow of charge carriers. Question 125. What is the total of $57.94 plus $6.19 plus $9.07? Option A, $73.20. Option B, $70. Option C, $80. Option D, $65.20. The correct answer is option A, $73.20. Adding these three values gives $73.20. Question 126. What are the two longest rivers in the world? Option A, the Nile and the Amazon. Option B, the Mississippi and the Missouri. Option C, the Yangtze and the Yellow. Option D, the Congo and the Niger. The correct answer is option A, the Nile and the Amazon. The Nile and the Amazon are traditionally cited as the world's longest rivers. Question 127. In the sentence "the giant gulped his food and slurped his drink," what are the vivid sounding verbs? Option A, gulped and slurped. Option B, food and drink. Option C, giant and his. Option D, the and. The correct answer is option A, gulped and slurped. Gulp and slurp are onomatopoeic words that describe sounds. Question 128. Besides the Chief Justice, how many justices serve on the Supreme Court? Option A, 8. Option B, 9. Option C, 7. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option A, 8. There are a total of 9 justices on the Supreme Court. Question 129. Which is the second largest planet in our solar system? Option A, Saturn. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Uranus. Option D, Neptune. The correct answer is option A, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet after Jupiter. Question 130. Pistachios, cashews, pecans, and almonds are all what kind of food? Option A, nuts. Option B, fruits. Option C, vegetables. Option D, grains. The correct answer is option A, nuts. These are all edible seeds commonly referred to as nuts. Question 131. Which prefix do you add to the word visible to get its opposite? Option A, in. Option B, un. Option C, dis. Option D, mis. The correct answer is option A, in. Invisible means not able to be seen. Question 132. Native Americans kept written records of their history before Europeans arrived. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Most Native American tribes had rich oral traditions rather than written languages. Question 133. Find the name from this list that belongs to a biblical hero. Option A, Samson. Option B, Sidney. Option C, Silas. Option D, Seymour. The correct answer is option A, Samson. Samson was a legendary Israelite warrior with immense strength. Question 134. Is a spider classified as an insect, a crustacean, or an arachnid? Option A, an arachnid. Option B, an insect. Option C, a crustacean. Option D, a mammal. The correct answer is option A, an arachnid. Arachnids have 8 legs while insects have 6. Question 135. Find the misfit in this group: cube, sphere, cone, square, and pyramid. Option A, square. Option B, cube. Option C, sphere. Option D, cone. The correct answer is option A, square. A square is a two-dimensional shape while the others are three-dimensional. Question 136. What do we call the island countries in the Caribbean? Option A, the West Indies. Option B, the East Indies. Option C, the Virgin Islands. Option D, the Polynesian Islands. The correct answer is option A, the West Indies. The West Indies is a region of the North Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean. Question 137. Is a recipe for cupcakes an example of narrative or expository writing? Option A, expository writing. Option B, narrative writing. Option C, persuasive writing. Option D, poetry. The correct answer is option A, expository writing. Expository writing is intended to inform or explain. Question 138. What does it mean when the president vetoes a bill? Option A, the president rejects it. Option B, the president signs it. Option C, the president ignores it. Option D, the president rewrites it. The correct answer is option A, the president rejects it. A veto prevents a bill from becoming law unless Congress overrides it. Question 139. What kind of chip makes a computer work? Option A, a microchip. Option B, a potato chip. Option C, a chocolate chip. Option D, a wood chip. The correct answer is option A, a microchip. Microchips contain integrated circuits that process data. Question 140. When daylight saving time starts, do we turn clocks forward or backward? Option A, forward. Option B, backward. Option C, side to side. Option D, around. The correct answer is option A, forward. The phrase spring forward reminds us to move clocks ahead in the spring. Question 141. The statement tablet computers are better than desktops is a fact or an opinion? Option A, an opinion. Option B, a fact. Option C, a theory. Option D, a law. The correct answer is option A, an opinion. Preferences regarding technology are subjective opinions. Question 142. Did the Great Depression begin in 1929 or 1992? Option A, 1929. Option B, 1992. Option C, 1945. Option D, 1865. The correct answer is option A, 1929. The stock market crash of 1929 triggered the Great Depression. Question 143. In what book of the Bible does Eve eat from the tree of knowledge? Option A, Genesis. Option B, Exodus. Option C, Leviticus. Option D, Numbers. The correct answer is option A, Genesis. Genesis is the first book of the Bible and describes the creation. Question 144. The inside of a light bulb is a vacuum. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Most incandescent bulbs contain a vacuum or inert gas to prevent the filament from burning. Question 145. When you bisect a circle, what two new forms do you get? Option A, 2 semicircles. Option B, 2 squares. Option C, 2 triangles. Option D, 2 rectangles. The correct answer is option A, 2 semicircles. Bisecting means to cut into 2 equal parts. Question 146. Which state is further west, Colorado or Idaho? Option A, Idaho. Option B, Colorado. Option C, Kansas. Option D, Missouri. The correct answer is option A, Idaho. Idaho is located in the Pacific Northwest while Colorado is in the mountain region. Question 147. The statement "you readers are changing the way we read" is a main idea or a supporting detail. Option A, main idea. Option B, supporting detail. Option C, fact. Option D, opinion. The correct answer is option A, main idea. This is a broad statement that would be supported by specific details. Question 148. Which state was named for a king of England? Option A, Georgia. Option B, Louisiana. Option C, Virginia. Option D, Maryland. The correct answer is option A, Georgia. Georgia was named after King George II of Great Britain. Question 149. What does a crab use to find food in total darkness? Option A, its antennae. Option B, its eyes. Option C, its claws. Option D, its tail. The correct answer is option A, its antennae. Antennae are sensory organs used for touch and smell. Question 150. What is the common name for a polygraph test? Option A, a lie detector test. Option B, a blood test. Option C, a vision test. Option D, a hearing test. The correct answer is option A, a lie detector test. Polygraphs measure physiological responses to determine if someone is lying. Question 151. Find the metaphor in the sentence "At night my room is a cave filled with shadows." Option A, my room is a cave. Option B, filled with shadows. Option C, at night. Option D, my room. The correct answer is option A, my room is a cave. A metaphor directly states that one thing is another to suggest a resemblance. Question 152. Who serves a 6-year term in the United States Congress? Option A, a senator. Option B, a representative. Option C, the president. Option D, a judge. The correct answer is option A, a senator. Senators are elected to 6-year terms while representatives serve 2-year terms. Question 153. When you separate an egg, what 2 parts do you get? Option A, the white and the yolk. Option B, the shell and the yolk. Option C, the white and the shell. Option D, the liquid and the solid. The correct answer is option A, the white and the yolk. The white is the albumin and the yolk is the yellow center. Question 154. Does laryngitis affect your lungs or your larynx? Option A, your larynx. Option B, your lungs. Option C, your stomach. Option D, your heart. The correct answer is option A, your larynx. Laryngitis is an inflammation of the voice box or larynx. Question 155. If your heart beats 80 times a minute, how many times will it beat in an hour? Option A, 4,800. Option B, 800. Option C, 6,000. Option D, 3,000. The correct answer is option A, 4,800. 80 multiplied by 60 minutes equals 4,800. Question 156. Which of these cities is not in the Eastern Time Zone? Option A, Chicago. Option B, Miami. Option C, Boston. Option D, Atlanta. The correct answer is option A, Chicago. Chicago is located in the Central Time Zone. Question 157. What is the name of the woman who inspired the bus boycott in Montgomery, Alabama? Option A, Rosa Parks. Option B, Harriet Tubman. Option C, Sojourner Truth. Option D, Eleanor Roosevelt. The correct answer is option A, Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat in 1955, sparking the civil rights movement. Question 158. Does a doctor listen to your heart with a telescope or a stethoscope? Option A, a stethoscope. Option B, a telescope. Option C, a microscope. Option D, a periscope. The correct answer is option A, a stethoscope. A stethoscope is an acoustic medical device for listening to internal sounds. Question 159. What bird lays the largest eggs of all? Option A, the ostrich. Option B, the emu. Option C, the eagle. Option D, the penguin. The correct answer is option A, the ostrich. The ostrich is the largest living bird and lays eggs weighing several pounds. Question 160. What do we call the chief executive of a city government? Option A, the mayor. Option B, the governor. Option C, the president. Option D, the senator. The correct answer is option A, the mayor. The mayor is the head of a municipal government. Question 161. Do faults in the earth crust cause earthquakes or volcanic eruptions? Option A, earthquakes. Option B, volcanic eruptions. Option C, tidal waves. Option D, hurricanes. The correct answer is option A, earthquakes. Earthquakes occur when there is a sudden release of energy along a fault line. Question 162. Find the value of n in the equation 7/3 equals 28 divided by n. Option A, 12. Option B, 10. Option C, 14. Option D, 16. The correct answer is option A, 12. Using cross multiplication 7 times n equals 84 and 84 divided by 7 is 12. Question 163. What Caribbean island is a Commonwealth of the United States? Option A, Puerto Rico. Option B, Cuba. Option C, Jamaica. Option D, the Bahamas. The correct answer is option A, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is an unincorporated territory of the United States. Question 164. Who was the first explorer to round the Cape of Good Hope? Option A, Bartolomé Diaz. Option B, Vasco da Gama. Option C, Christopher Columbus. Option D, Ferdinand Magellan. The correct answer is option A, Bartolomé Diaz. Diaz was a Portuguese explorer who sailed around the southern tip of Africa in 1488. Question 165. Choose the best conductor of heat among these materials. Option A, metal. Option B, glass. Option C, wood. Option D, sand. The correct answer is option A, metal. Metals are excellent conductors of heat due to their molecular structure. Question 166. Which of these is an anthropoid? Option A, an ape. Option B, an insect. Option C, a fish. Option D, a bird. The correct answer is option A, an ape. Anthropoids include monkeys, apes, and humans. Question 167. Put these in chronological order: boomtown, ghost town, and small mining town. Option A, small mining town, boomtown, and ghost town. Option B, ghost town, boomtown, and small mining town. Option C, boomtown, ghost town, and small mining town. Option D, small mining town, ghost town, and boomtown. The correct answer is option A, small mining town, boomtown, and ghost town. Mining towns grew rapidly into boomtowns and were abandoned to become ghost towns. Question 168. Which form of music came first, rap, jazz, or rock? Option A, jazz. Option B, rap. Option C, rock. Option D, country. The correct answer is option A, jazz. Jazz originated in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Question 169. What do you subtract from 3/4 to leave a difference of 1/2? Option A, 1/4. Option B, 1/2. Option C, 1/3. Option D, 1/8. The correct answer is option A, 1/4. 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4, which simplifies to 1/2. Question 170. Name the largest country in the Western Hemisphere by land area. Option A, Canada. Option B, United States. Option C, Brazil. Option D, Mexico. The correct answer is option A, Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world and the largest in the Americas. Question 171. During what war did Francis Scott Key write the Star-Spangled Banner? Option A, the War of 1812. Option B, the Revolutionary War. Option C, the Civil War. Option D, World War I. The correct answer is option A, the War of 1812. Key wrote the poem after witnessing the bombardment of Fort McHenry. Question 172. What part of a poisonous snake releases its venom? Option A, the fangs. Option B, the tail. Option C, the tongue. Option D, the scales. The correct answer is option A, the fangs. Fangs are hollow or grooved teeth used to inject venom into prey. Question 173. Which of these is not a spice? Option A, salt. Option B, cinnamon. Option C, ginger. Option D, paprika. The correct answer is option A, salt. Salt is a mineral while the others are derived from plants and considered spices. Question 174. Is a rhinoceros a carnivorous, herbivorous, or omnivorous mammal? Option A, a herbivorous mammal. Option B, a carnivorous mammal. Option C, an omnivorous mammal. Option D, a scavenger. The correct answer is option A, a herbivorous mammal. Rhinoceroses eat only plants like grass and shrubs. Question 175. Which shape has two pairs of parallel sides? Option A, a parallelogram. Option B, a trapezoid. Option C, a triangle. Option D, a pentagon. The correct answer is option A, a parallelogram. By definition, a parallelogram has opposite sides that are parallel. Question 176. Which country is not located in Africa? Option A, Ukraine. Option B, Angola. Option C, Nigeria. Option D, Chad. The correct answer is option A, Ukraine. Ukraine is located in Eastern Europe. Question 177. Is a book titled The Life of Albert Einstein likely to be historical fiction or biography? Option A, biography. Option B, historical fiction. Option C, fantasy. Option D, mystery. The correct answer is option A, biography. A biography is a true account of someone's life written by someone else. Question 178. To impeach the president is to remove him from office at once. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Impeachment is a formal charge of misconduct and is only the first step toward removal. Question 179. Is an organism DNA code found in its cytoplasm or its genes? Option A, its genes. Option B, its cytoplasm. Option C, its cell wall. Option D, its membrane. The correct answer is option A, its genes. Genes are the basic physical and functional unit of heredity made up of DNA. Question 180. From what country did the United States buy the land known as the Louisiana Territory? Option A, France. Option B, Spain. Option C, Great Britain. Option D, Mexico. The correct answer is option A, France. Thomas Jefferson purchased the territory from France in 1803. Question 181. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Density is a measure of how much matter is in a given space. Question 182. How much is 0.3 multiplied by 8? Option A, 2.4, option B, 2.0, option C, 3.8, option D, 0.8. The correct answer is option A, 2.4. 3 times 8 is 24, so 0.3 times 8 is 2.4. Question 183. The highest degrees of latitude are closest to the equator. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. The equator is at 0 degrees latitude while the poles are at 90 degrees. Question 184. How many amendments have been added to the United States Constitution? Option A, 27. Option B, 10. Option C, 19. Option D, 35. The correct answer is option A, 27. There have been 27 total amendments since the Constitution was ratified. Question 185. Which of these is made up of only one kind of atom? Option A, an element. Option B, a compound. Option C, a molecule. Option D, a mixture. The correct answer is option A, an element. Elements are pure substances consisting of only one type of atom. Question 186. What Japanese dish is made of raw fish? Option A, sushi. Option B, sukiyaki. Option C, teriyaki. Option D, ramen. The correct answer is option A, sushi. Sushi often features raw seafood combined with vinegared rice. Question 187. If you sail from Hawaii to Tokyo, in which direction do you travel? Option A, west. Option B, east. Option C, north. Option D, south. The correct answer is option A, west. Tokyo is located to the west of the Hawaiian Islands across the Pacific. Question 188. Women voted for the first time in a United States presidential election in 1900. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. The 19th Amendment was ratified in 1920, granting women the right to vote. Question 189. Which of these is not a parasite? Option A, ants. Option B, mosquitoes. Option C, ticks. Option D, lice. The correct answer is option A, ants. Ants are independent insects while the others rely on hosts for survival. Question 190. When you tighten a guitar string, do you raise or lower its pitch? Option A, raise it. Option B, lower it. Option C, keep it the same. Option D, mute it. The correct answer is option A, raise it. Increasing the tension on a string makes it vibrate faster, which raises the pitch. Question 191. What force keeps the stars of the Milky Way in place? Option A, gravity. Option B, magnetism. Option C, electricity. Option D, friction. The correct answer is option A, gravity. Gravity is the attractive force between all masses in the universe. Question 192. In 6 weeks we will leave on a camping trip. How many days must we wait? Option A, 42 days. Option B, 30 days. Option C, 7 days. Option D, 6 days. The correct answer is option A, 42 days. 6 weeks times 7 days per week equals 42 days. Question 193. Which of these is a work of nature rather than man-made? Option A, a canyon. Option B, a canal. Option C, a dam. Option D, a bridge. The correct answer is option A, a canyon. Canyons are formed by natural processes like erosion over millions of years. Question 194. Which syllable is stressed in the word dolphin? Option A, the first. Option B, the second. Option C, both. Option D, neither. The correct answer is option A, the first. The word is pronounced dolphin with emphasis on the first part. Question 195. How many pairs of ribs does a typical human have? Option A, 12, option B, 10, option C, 14, option D, 24. The correct answer is option A, 12. Humans usually have 12 pairs of ribs for a total of 24. Question 196. What American city held a famous Tea Party in 1773? Option A, Boston, option B, New York, option C, Philadelphia, option D, Charleston. The correct answer is option A, Boston. The Boston Tea Party was a protest against British tax laws. Question 197. The whale shark is the largest shark in the world. True or false? Option A, true, option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. The whale shark is a slow-moving filter-feeding carpet shark and the largest known fish. Question 198. To find the velocity of a spacecraft, do you measure its volume, weight, or speed? Option A, its speed, option B, its volume, option C, its weight, option D, its color. The correct answer is option A, its speed. Velocity is the speed of something in a given direction. Question 199. If you are charged a 20% late fee on a $20 bill, how much extra is that? Option A, $4, option B, $2, option C, $20, option D, $40. The correct answer is option A, $4. 20% of 20 is $4. Question 200. Which city is the capital of Colorado? Option A, Denver, option B, Boulder, option C, Colorado Springs, option D, Aspen. The correct answer is option A, Denver. Denver is the most populous city and the capital of Colorado. Question 201. Whales are mammals, so they can live briefly on land. True or false? Option A, true, option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Whales are adapted to water and would suffocate on land because their bodies are too heavy to breathe without water support. Question 202. Which state occupies two peninsulas? Option A, Michigan, option B, Florida, option C, California, option D, Texas. The correct answer is option A, Michigan. Michigan is made up of the Upper Peninsula and the Lower Peninsula. Question 203. What color absorbs the most sunlight? Option A, black, option B, white, option C, yellow, option D, blue. The correct answer is option A, black. Dark colors like black absorb more radiant energy than light colors. Question 204. Which United States state is known as the land of 10,000 lakes? Option A, Minnesota, option B, Wisconsin, option C, Michigan, option D, Ontario. The correct answer is option A, Minnesota. Minnesota has over 11,000 lakes of 10 acres or more. Question 205. Giant anteaters have 2-foot-long tongues to help them eat. Is this an oddity or an adaptation? Option A, an adaptation, option B, an oddity, option C, a disease, option D, a mistake. The correct answer is option A, an adaptation. An adaptation is a physical or behavioral trait that helps an organism survive. Question 206. Which kind of doctor specializes in delivering babies? Option A, an obstetrician, option B, an optician, option C, a pediatrician, option D, a dermatologist. The correct answer is option A, an obstetrician. Obstetricians provide care during pregnancy and childbirth. Question 207. What do fish use their gills for? Option A, breathing, option B, seeing, option C, hearing, option D, eating. The correct answer is option A, breathing. Gills extract oxygen from water as it passes over them. Question 208. Which group was against slavery in the United States? Option A, abolitionists. Option B, plantation owners. Option C, loyalists. Option D, federalists. The correct answer is option A, abolitionists. Abolitionists worked to end the practice of slavery. Question 209. How many pairs of chromosomes do humans typically inherit from their parents? Option A, 23 pairs. Option B, 46 pairs. Option C, 12 pairs. Option D, 10 pairs. The correct answer is option A, 23 pairs. Humans have 23 pairs for a total of 46 chromosomes. Question 210. In which weather condition could you experience a whiteout? Option A, a blizzard. Option B, a hailstorm. Option C, a hurricane. Option D, a thunderstorm. The correct answer is option A, a blizzard. A whiteout occurs when heavy snow and wind make it impossible to see. Question 211. What consonant is silent in the words fasten, castle and wrestle? Option A, the letter T. Option B, the letter S. Option C, the letter L. Option D, the letter N. The correct answer is option A, the letter T. In these words the T is written but not pronounced. Question 212. Does an El Niño change weather patterns around the Atlantic or Pacific Ocean? Option A, the Pacific Ocean. Option B, the Atlantic Ocean. Option C, the Indian Ocean. Option D, the Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option A, the Pacific Ocean. El Niño is a climate pattern involving the warming of the ocean surface in the Pacific. Question 213. Find the least common denominator of 3/4 and 5/6. Option A, 12. Option B, 8. Option C, 24. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option A, 12. 12 is the smallest number that both 4 and 6 can divide into evenly. Question 214. What do the Mediterranean, the Caribbean and the Adriatic have in common? Option A, they are all seas. Option B, they are all oceans. Option C, they are all lakes. Option D, they are all rivers. The correct answer is option A, they are all seas. Seas are smaller than oceans and usually located where land and ocean meet. Question 215. Which of these is a longer period of time? Option A, 3 decades. Option B, a quarter of a century. Option C, 10 years. Option D, 20 years. The correct answer is option A, 3 decades. 3 decades is 30 years while a quarter century is 25 years. Question 216. Besides Germany, what European country declared war on the United States in 1941? Option A, Italy. Option B, France. Option C, Spain. Option D, Sweden. The correct answer is option A, Italy. Italy was a member of the Axis powers during World War II. Question 217. What natural phenomenon creates sand dunes? Option A, the wind. Option B, the rain. Option C, the sun. Option D, the tide. The correct answer is option A, the wind. Wind moves sand particles and deposits them in mounds or ridges. Question 218. If Joe spent 10% of her money and has $9 left, how much did she have to start with? Option A, $10. Option B, $9. Option C, $11. Option D, $20. The correct answer is option A, $10. If she has 90% left and that equals $9, then the total was 10. Question 219. Are goods bought from another country called imports or tariffs? Option A, imports. Option B, tariffs. Option C, exports. Option D, quotas. The correct answer is option A, imports. Imports are products brought into a country from abroad. Question 220. How many babies are in a set of quadruplets? Option A, 4. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 5. The correct answer is option A, 4. Quadruplets are 4 offspring produced at one birth. Question 221. In Roman mythology, who was the king of the gods? Option A, Jupiter. Option B, Mercury. Option C, Mars. Option D, Apollo. The correct answer is option A, Jupiter. Jupiter is the god of sky and thunder and king of the gods in ancient Rome. Question 222. Add 3/4 and 2/4. Is the total less or greater than 1? Option A, greater than 1. Option B, less than 1. Option C, exactly 1. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option A, greater than 1. 3/4 plus 2/4 equals 5/4, which is 1 and 1/4. Question 223. Were microscopes invented in the 1600s, 1800s, or 1900s? Option A, the 1600s. Option B, the 1800s. Option C, the 1900s. Option D, the 1400s. The correct answer is option A, the 1600s. The first compound microscopes were developed around 1590. Question 224. Do planets travel around the Sun in circular or elliptical orbits? Option A, elliptical orbits. Option B, circular orbits. Option C, square orbits. Option D, zigzag orbits. The correct answer is option A, elliptical orbits. Kepler laws of planetary motion state that orbits are ellipses. Question 225. What country separates Alaska from the rest of the continental United States? Option A, Canada. Option B, Russia. Option C, Mexico. Option D, Greenland. The correct answer is option A, Canada. Alaska is located to the west of Canada. Question 226. What do we call a United States citizen who was not born in the United States? Option A, a naturalized citizen. Option B, a native citizen. Option C, a tourist. Option D, a refugee. The correct answer is option A, a naturalized citizen. Naturalization is the legal process of becoming a citizen of a country. Question 227. Does a person suffering from insomnia have trouble eating, breathing, or sleeping? Option A, sleeping. Option B, eating. Option C, breathing. Option D, walking. The correct answer is option A, sleeping. Insomnia is a sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling or staying asleep. Question 228. Which group formally casts votes for the President of the United States? Option A, the Electoral College. Option B, the Senate. Option C, the House of Representatives. Option D, the Supreme Court. The correct answer is option A, the Electoral College. The Electoral College is the body that elects the President and Vice President. Question 229. What is the name for a musical composition written for 4 musicians? Option A, a quartet. Option B, a trio. Option C, a solo. Option D, a duet. The correct answer is option A, a quartet. The prefix quart relates to the number 4. Question 230. Which is a prime number, 5 or 6? Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 8. Option D, 9. The correct answer is option A, 5. A prime number can only be divided by 1 and itself. Question 231. What part of your body shows where the umbilical cord was attached? Option A, the navel. Option B, the elbow. Option C, the knee. Option D, the chin. The correct answer is option A, the navel. The navel, also known as the belly button, is the scar left after the cord is removed. Question 232. Which country was the first to put men on the moon? Option A, the United States. Option B, Russia. Option C, China. Option D, Great Britain. The correct answer is option A, the United States. The United States Apollo 11 mission landed on the moon in 1969. Question 233. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius degrees? Option A, 37 degrees. Option B, 57 degrees. Option C, 98 degrees. Option D, 0 degrees. The correct answer is option A, 37 degrees. 37 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 234. Name the British general who surrendered to George Washington in 1781. Option A, Lord Charles Cornwallis. Option B, General Howe. Option C, General Burgoyne. Option D, King George. The correct answer is option A, Lord Charles Cornwallis. Cornwallis surrendered at Yorktown, effectively ending the Revolutionary War. Question 235. What natural product is most often used in manufacturing plastics? Option A, petroleum. Option B, wood. Option C, water. Option D, air. The correct answer is option A, petroleum. Most plastics are derived from chemicals found in oil and natural gas. Question 236. Was Delaware the first state or the last state to ratify the Constitution? Option A, the first state. Option B, the last state. Option C, the 10th state. Option D, the 5th state. The correct answer is option A, the first state. Delaware is known as the first state because it ratified the Constitution on December 7, 1787. Question 237. If 5 times 32 is 160, what is 160 divided by 32? Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 32. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option A, 5. Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Question 238. Did Albert Einstein discover gravity, electricity, or the theory of relativity? Option A, the theory of relativity. Option B, gravity. Option C, electricity. Option D, the steam engine. The correct answer is option A, the theory of relativity. Einstein developed the theory of relativity, which is a pillar of modern physics. Question 239. If Texas broke away from the United States, would it secede or succeed? Option A, secede. Option B, succeed. Option C, succeed. Option D, seceded. The correct answer is option A, secede. To secede means to formally withdraw from a membership or alliance. Question 240. Which device refracts light, a lens or a mirror? Option A, a lens. Option B, a mirror. Option C, a flashlight. Option D, a prism. The correct answer is option A, a lens. A lens bends light as it passes through while a mirror reflects it. Question 241. One side of a square is 3 centimeters long. What is the area of the square? Option A, 9 square centimeters. Option B, 6 square centimeters. Option C, 12 square centimeters. Option D, 3 square centimeters. The correct answer is option A, 9 square centimeters. The area of a square is calculated by squaring the length of one side. Question 242. Do pineapples grow in California, Oregon, or Hawaii? Option A, Hawaii. Option B, California. Option C, Oregon. Option D, Washington. The correct answer is option A, Hawaii. Hawaii has a tropical climate suited for growing pineapples. Question 243. Which of these cannot make its own food? Option A, a mushroom. Option B, a fern. Option C, a bamboo tree. Option D, grass. The correct answer is option A, a mushroom. Mushrooms are fungi and must absorb nutrients from organic matter. Question 244. Who was the President of the Confederacy during the Civil War? Option A, Jefferson Davis. Option B, Abraham Lincoln. Option C, Robert E. Lee. Option D, Ulysses S. Grant. The correct answer is option A, Jefferson Davis. Jefferson Davis served as the only president of the Confederate States of America. Question 245. What system in your body carries messages to and from your brain? Option A, the nervous system. Option B, the circulatory system. Option C, the digestive system. Option D, the skeletal system. The correct answer is option A, the nervous system. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and a network of nerves. Question 246. What is the sum of 1 and 5/9 and 7 and 4/9? Option A 9, option B 8, option C 10, option D 7. The correct answer is option A, 9. Adding the fractions equals 9/9 or 1, and adding the whole numbers gives 8 plus 1 is 9. Question 247. What company made the first set of sneakers? Option A, Keds, option B, Nike, option C, Adidas, option D, Puma. The correct answer is option A, Keds. Keds was the first brand to mass-market canvas-top rubber-soled shoes. Question 248. Which amendment made slavery illegal throughout the United States? Option A, the 13th Amendment, option B, the First Amendment, option C, the 19th Amendment, option D, the Second Amendment. The correct answer is option A, the 13th Amendment. The 13th Amendment was ratified in 1865 after the Civil War. Question 249. Order these from smallest to largest asteroid, planet, star, and galaxy. Option A, asteroid, planet, star, and galaxy. Option B, star, planet, asteroid, and galaxy. Option C, galaxy, star, planet, and asteroid. Option D, planet, asteroid, star, and galaxy. The correct answer is option A, asteroid, planet, star, and galaxy. This order follows the scale of celestial objects from small rocks to massive systems. Question 250. Which of these numbers are not multiples of 9? Option A, 34 and 62, option B, 45, option C, 54, option D, 81. The correct answer is option A, 34 and 62. 9 goes into 45, 54, and 81, but not 34 or 62. Question 251. Congress is made up of two legislative bodies. What are they? Option A, the Senate and the House of Representatives. Option B, the Senate and the Supreme Court. Option C, the House and the Cabinet. Option D, the President and the Vice President. The correct answer is option A, the Senate and the House of Representatives. These two houses form the legislative branch of the United States government. Question 252. What color is sulfur? Option A, yellow, option B, red, option C, blue, option D, green. The correct answer is option A, yellow. Sulfur is a bright yellow crystalline solid at room temperature. Question 253. Which one helps you find information on the web? A data center or a search engine? Option A, a search engine. Option B, a data center. Option C, a browser. Option D, a social media site. The correct answer is option A, a search engine. Search engines like Google index the web to help users find specific content. Question 254. What is 0.8935 rounded to the nearest tenth? Option A, 0.9, option B, 0.8, option C, 1.0, option D, 0.89. The correct answer is option A, 0.9. Since the hundredths digit is 9, we round the tenths digit up. Question 255. Does a relief map show natural resources, climates, or elevations of land? Option A, elevations of land. Option B, natural resources. Option C, climates. Option D, political borders. The correct answer is option A, elevations of land. Relief maps use shading or contour lines to show the height of the land. Question 256. What was the purpose of the Emancipation Proclamation? Option A, to free slaves in rebelling states. Option B, to end the Civil War. Option C, to elect a new president. Option D, to tax the South. The correct answer is option A, to free slaves in rebelling states. Issued by Lincoln in 1863, it changed the legal status of 3 million people to free. Question 257. When a doctor writes or X on a notepad, what is he giving the patient? Option A, a prescription. Option B, a receipt. Option C, a bill. Option D, a diagnosis. The correct answer is option A, a prescription. The symbol or X is shorthand for a medical prescription. Question 258. What green material in plants draws energy from the sun? Option A, chlorophyll. Option B, oxygen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, nitrogen. The correct answer is option A, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is essential for the process of photosynthesis. Question 259. At what point do parallel lines meet? Option A, at no point. Option B, at one point. Option C, at the horizon. Option D, in the middle. The correct answer is option A, at no point. By definition, parallel lines stay the same distance apart and never intersect. Question 260. Which branch of the federal government includes the Department of Justice? Option A, the executive branch. Option B, the legislative branch. Option C, the judicial branch. Option D, the military branch. The correct answer is option A, the executive branch. The executive branch is headed by the president and carries out laws. Question 261. What symbol is on the Canadian flag? Option A, the maple leaf. Option B, an eagle. Option C, a star. Option D, a pine tree. The correct answer is option A, the maple leaf. The maple leaf became the national symbol of Canada in the 1800s. Question 262. Who was the first Secretary of the Treasury for the United States? Option A, Alexander Hamilton. Option B, John Hay. Option C, Thomas Jefferson. Option D, James Madison. The correct answer is option A, Alexander Hamilton. Hamilton was a founding father and a key figure in the United States financial system. Question 263. Which of these are not predators? Option A, elephants. Option B, panthers. Option C, spiders. Option D, humans. The correct answer is option A, elephants. Elephants are herbivores and do not hunt other animals for food. Question 264. What is the value of y if x minus y equals x and x equals 10? Option A, 0. Option B, 10. Option C, 5. Option D, 20. The correct answer is option A, 0. If subtracting y from x does not change x, then y must be 0. Question 265. Did the United States government support North Vietnam or South Vietnam? Option A, South Vietnam. Option B, North Vietnam. Option C, both. Option D, neither. The correct answer is option A, South Vietnam. The United States fought alongside South Vietnam to prevent the spread of communism. Question 266. Which chemical helps you react quickly in emergencies? Option A, adrenaline. Option B, hemoglobin. Option C, insulin. Option D, melatonin. The correct answer is option A, adrenaline. Adrenaline is a hormone that prepares the body for a fight or flight response. Question 267. Did Lewis and Clark explore the Great Lakes or the land west of the Mississippi? Option A, the land west of the Mississippi. Option B, the Great Lakes. Option C, the Florida Keys. Option D, the Appalachian Mountains. The correct answer is option A, the land west of the Mississippi. The Corps of Discovery expedition mapped the newly acquired Louisiana Purchase. Question 268. How many sides and angles does a quadrilateral have? Option A, 4. Option B, 3. Option C, 5. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option A, 4. The prefix quad means 4. Question 269. Where was the shot fired that began the American Civil War? Option A, Fort Sumter. Option B, Gettysburg. Option C, Antietam. Option D, Lexington. The correct answer is option A, Fort Sumter. The Confederate attack on Fort Sumter in April 1861 started the war. Question 270. What is the perimeter of a hexagon with 12-foot sides? Option A, 72 feet. Option B, 60 feet. Option C, 48 feet. Option D 84 feet. The correct answer is option A, 72 feet. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 times 12 is 72. Question 271. Why did the first American flag have only 13 stars? Option A. There were only 13 states. Option B. To represent the months. Option C. For the 13 original explorers. Option D. It was a lucky number. The correct answer is option A. There were only 13 states. Each star and stripe represented one of the 13 original colonies. Question 272. What is the remainder when 88 is divided by 8? Option A. There is no remainder. Option B. 1. Option C. 8. Option D. 10. The correct answer is option A. There is no remainder. 88 divided by 8 is exactly 11. Question 273. What punctuation mark ends an interrogative sentence? Option A. A question mark. Option B. A period. Option C. An exclamation point. Option D. A comma. The correct answer is option A. A question mark. Interrogative sentences are questions. Question 274. Does air become heavier or lighter as its temperature rises? Option A. Lighter. Option B. Heavier. Option C. It stays the same. Option D. It turns blue. The correct answer is option A. Lighter. Warm air is less dense than cool air and therefore rises. Question 275. What whole number do you get when you add 4/4 and 12/4? Option A. 4. Option B. 6. Option C. 3. Option D. 2. The correct answer is option A. 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Question 276. In the Civil War, which side wore gray uniforms? Option A. The Confederates. Option B. The Union. Option C. The British. Option D. The French. The correct answer is option A. The Confederates. Confederate soldiers were often called Rebs and wore gray. Question 277. Are fish, reptiles, birds and mammals classified as vertebrates or invertebrates? Option A. Vertebrates. Option B. Invertebrates. Option C. Amphibians. Option D. Insects. The correct answer is option A. Vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals that possess a backbone or spinal column. Question 278. Which of these are the 3 things needed for photosynthesis? Option A. Light, carbon dioxide and water. Option B. Oxygen, sugar and soil. Option C. Heat, nitrogen and seeds. Option D. Wind, rain and minerals. The correct answer is option A. Light, carbon dioxide and water. Plants use light energy to convert water and carbon dioxide into food. Question 279. What are the next 3 numbers in the sequence 56, 49, 42? Option A. 35, 28 and 21. Option B. 36, 29 and 22. Option C. 40, 30, 20. Option D. 35, 30 and 25. The correct answer is option A. 35, 28 and 21. The sequence is counting backwards by 7s. Question 280. What fort in Texas did Davy Crockett help to defend? Option A. The Alamo. Option B. Fort Sumter. Option C. Fort McHenry. Option D. Fort Knox. The correct answer is option A. The Alamo. The Battle of the Alamo was a pivotal event in the Texas Revolution. Question 281. What great German composer wrote most of his music after he became deaf? Option A. Beethoven. Option B. Bach. Option C. Mozart. Option D. Wagner. The correct answer is option A. Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven continued to compose masterpiece symphonies even after losing his hearing. Question 282. Where are the smallest bones in your body located? Option A. In your ear. Option B. In your toe. Option C. In your nose. Option D. In your finger. The correct answer is option A. In your ear. The stapes bone in the middle ear is the smallest bone in the human body. Question 283. Which of these has the most sides, a heptagon, a decagon, or an octagon? Option A, a decagon. Option B, a heptagon. Option C, an octagon. Option D, a hexagon. The correct answer is option A, a decagon. A decagon has 10 sides, an octagon has 8, and a heptagon has 7. Question 284. Which two generals met at Appomattox Courthouse in 1865? Option A, Grant and Lee. Option B, Washington and Cornwallis. Option C, Sherman and Jackson. Option D, Eisenhower and Rommel. The correct answer is option A, Grant and Lee. Ulysses S. Grant and Robert E. Lee met to discuss the surrender of the Army of Northern Virginia. Question 285. What river forms the eastern border of Iowa and Louisiana? Option A, the Mississippi River. Option B, the Missouri River. Option C, the Ohio River. Option D, the Rio Grande. The correct answer is option A, the Mississippi River. The Mississippi is one of the world's major river systems. Question 286. Does a hygrometer measure temperature, air pressure, or humidity? Option A, humidity. Option B, temperature. Option C, air pressure. Option D, wind speed. The correct answer is option A, humidity. Hygrometers are instruments used for measuring the water vapor in the atmosphere. Question 287. On what date was the Declaration of Independence adopted? Option A, July 4, 1776. Option B, July 4, 1789. Option C, June 14, 1776. Option D, January 1, 1800. The correct answer is option A, July 4, 1776. The Continental Congress approved the final wording of the document on this day. Question 288. Which of these elements is found in all living things? Option A, carbon. Option B, chlorophyll. Option C, gold. Option D, helium. The correct answer is option A, carbon. Carbon is the primary component of macromolecules including proteins and DNA. Question 289. What territory became the 49th state to join the Union? Option A, Alaska. Option B, Hawaii. Option C, Puerto Rico. Option D, Texas. The correct answer is option A, Alaska. Alaska was admitted as a state on January 3, 1959. Question 290. What is the final championship game in American professional football called? Option A, the Super Bowl. Option B, the World Series. Option C, the Stanley Cup. Option D, the Final Four. The correct answer is option A, the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl is played annually between the champions of the NFC and AFC. Question 291. What is the name for the liquid in your mouth that helps you digest food? Option A, saliva. Option B, acid. Option C, bile. Option D, water. The correct answer is option A, saliva. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase that start the breakdown of starches. Question 292. Which state is famous for producing baking potatoes? Option A, Idaho. Option B, Kansas. Option C, Pennsylvania. Option D, Florida. The correct answer is option A, Idaho. Idaho is the leading producer of potatoes in the United States. Question 293. What crop created the first large demand for slave labor in the United States? Option A, tobacco. Option B, cotton. Option C, corn. Option D, wheat. The correct answer is option A, tobacco. In the 17th century, tobacco was the primary cash crop of the Chesapeake colonies. Question 294. What gas do plants take in from the air to use in making food? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, oxygen. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, hydrogen. The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide through their leaves during photosynthesis. Question 295. Which came first, the Battle of Bunker Hill or the Stamp Act? Option A, the Stamp Act. Option B, the Battle of Bunker Hill. Option C, The Declaration of Independence. Option D. The Boston Tea Party. The correct answer is option A. The Stamp Act. The Stamp Act of 1765 preceded the fighting of the Revolution. Question 296. In what war did Japan bomb American warships at Pearl Harbor? Option A. World War II. Option B. World War I. Option C. The Korean War. Option D. The Vietnam War. The correct answer is option A. World War II. The attack on December 7, 1941 brought the United States into the war. Question 297. Is a reservoir a man-made lake or a natural waterway? Option A. A man-made lake. Option B. A natural waterway. Option C. An ocean. Option D. A puddle. The correct answer is option A. A man-made lake. Reservoirs are created by building dams to store water for human use. Question 298. Is there more chlorophyll in the top or the bottom of a leaf? Option A. The top. Option B. The bottom. Option C. It is equal. Option D. Leaves do not have chlorophyll. The correct answer is option A. The top. The top of the leaf is usually more exposed to sunlight. Question 299. What kind of race is the Kentucky Derby? Option A. A horse race. Option B. An auto race. Option C. A foot race. Option D. A boat race. The correct answer is option A. A horse race. The Kentucky Derby is a famous horse race held annually in Louisville. Question 300. Which adjective uses the word more to show comparison? Option A. Polite. Option B. Thin. Option C. Cute. Option D. Fast. The correct answer is option A. Polite. Longer adjectives or those ending in certain suffixes often use more instead of the suffix er. Question 301. In the 1930s, what United States president promised Americans a New Deal? Option A. Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Option B. Theodore Roosevelt. Option C. Herbert Hoover. Option D. Harry Truman. The correct answer is option A. Franklin Delano Roosevelt. The New Deal was a series of programs and projects instituted during the Great Depression. Question 302. What healthful vitamin does your skin absorb from direct sunlight? Option A. Vitamin D. Option B. Vitamin A. Option C. Vitamin C. Option D. Vitamin K. The correct answer is option A. Vitamin D. Your body produces vitamin D when your skin is exposed to ultraviolet rays from the sun. Question 303. Why does a wooden spoon stay cool to the touch even in boiling water? Option A. Wood is a poor conductor of heat. Option B. Wood is a metal. Option C. Wood absorbs cold from the air. Option D. Wood is a liquid. The correct answer is option A. Wood is a poor conductor of heat. Wood is an insulator, meaning it does not transfer heat as easily as metals do. Question 304. 13% is the same as the fraction 13 divided by 50. True or false? Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option B. False. False. 13% is equal to 13 divided by 100. Question 305. Which of the New England states is farthest north? Option A. Maine. Option B. Vermont. Option C. New Hampshire. Option D. Massachusetts. The correct answer is option A. Maine. Maine is the northernmost state in both New England and the contiguous United States. Question 306. How is the month of September abbreviated on a calendar? Option A. SEPT point. Option B. SEP point. Option C. SET point. Option D. SPT point. The correct answer is option A. SEPT point. SEPT is the standard four-letter abbreviation for September. Question 307. If hawks are people in favor of war, what bird represents those who favor peace? Option A. A dove. Option B. A robin. Option C. An eagle. Option D. A sparrow. The correct answer is option A. A dove. Doves have long been used as symbols of peace and pacifism. Question 308. Which of these is not a part of a flower? Option A, tentacle. Option B, pistil. Option C, stamen. Option D, ovule. The correct answer is option A, tentacle. Tentacles are found on animals like jellyfish or octopuses, not flowers. Question 309. RPG is an abbreviation for what activity where players assume parts in a virtual reality? Option A, role-playing game. Option B, real-person game. Option C, Royal Portrait Gallery. Option D, random power generator. The correct answer is option A, role-playing game. Role-playing games involve players taking on the roles of characters in a fictional setting. Question 310. Which word comes first in a dictionary? Option A, viola. Option B, violin. Option C, violet. Option D, village. The correct answer is option A, viola. Alphabetically, viola comes before viole and violi. Question 311. What popular nickname was given to President Franklin Delano Roosevelt? Option A, FDR. Option B, Teddy. Option C, Old Hickory. Option D, Honest Abe. The correct answer is option A, FDR. Roosevelt was commonly referred to by his initials FDR. Question 312. Bullies often pick on someone they think they can boss around. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Bullying often involves a power imbalance where the bully seeks to control others. Question 313. If a human fetus has two X chromosomes, will it be a girl or a boy? Option A, a girl. Option B, a boy. Option C, both. Option D, neither. The correct answer is option A, a girl. In humans, females typically have two X chromosomes while males have one X and one Y. Question 314. Think of 9 coins that add up to $1.23. Option A, 4 quarters, 2 dimes and 3 pennies. Option B, 5 quarters and 3 pennies. Option C, 9 dimes and 3 nickels. Option D, 8 dimes and 1 quarter. The correct answer is option A, 4 quarters, 2 dimes and 3 pennies. 4 quarters is $1 plus 20 cents in dimes and 3 cents in pennies equals $1.23. Question 315. In what city can you see the famous Liberty Bell? Option A, Philadelphia. Option B, Washington. Option C, New York. Option D, Boston. The correct answer is option A, Philadelphia. The Liberty Bell is an iconic symbol of American independence located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Question 316. Take the word sink. Where can you add the letter T to make something smelly? Option A, between the S and the I. Option B, between the I and the N. Option C, between the N and the K. Option D, after the K. The correct answer is option A, between the S and the I. Adding a T after the S creates the word stink. Question 317. What do we call the Chief Law Officer of the United States? Option A, the Attorney General. Option B, the Chief Justice. Option C, the Secretary of State. Option D, the Vice President. The correct answer is option A, the Attorney General. The Attorney General heads the Department of Justice and is the chief lawyer of the federal government. Question 318. Are atoms that have an electric charge called ions, molecules, or neutrons? Option A, ions. Option B, molecules. Option C, neutrons. Option D, protons. The correct answer is option A, ions. An ion is an atom or molecule with a net electric charge due to the loss or gain of electrons. Question 319. Does an anthropologist study animals, plants, or people? Option A, people. Option B, animals. Option C, plants. Option D, rocks. The correct answer is option A, people. Anthropology is the scientific study of humans, human behavior, and societies. Question 320. In a written story, how do you show the words that someone actually said? Option A, enclose them in quotation marks. Option B, write them in bold. Option C, put them in a footnote. Option D, underline them. The correct answer is option A, enclose them in quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to set off direct speech or a quote. Question 321. Who helped over 300 slaves escape north using the Underground Railroad? Option A, Harriet Tubman. Option B, Sojourner Truth. Option C, Rosa Parks. Option D, Coretta Scott King. The correct answer is option A, Harriet Tubman. Tubman was a conductor on the Underground Railroad and never lost a passenger. Question 322. Is the Soccer World Cup held every year or every 4 years? Option A, every 4 years. Option B, every year. Option C, every 2 years. Option D, every 10 years. The correct answer is option A, every 4 years. The Fédération Internationale de Football Association World Cup is a quadrennial competition. Question 323. What forms of life do botanists study? Option A, plants. Option B, animals. Option C, fungi. Option D, bacteria. The correct answer is option A, plants. Botany is the branch of biology that deals with the study of plants. Question 324. What is the volume of a box that is 15 centimeters by 16 centimeters by 10 centimeters? Option A, 2,400 cubic centimeters. Option B, 1,500 cubic centimeters. Option C, 2,000 cubic centimeters. Option D, 160 cubic centimeters. The correct answer is option A, 2,400 cubic centimeters. Volume is calculated by multiplying length by width by height. Question 325. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Lake Superior is the largest of the Great Lakes and the largest freshwater lake by surface area. Question 326. Take the word diner. If you double the N, what new word do you get? Option A, dinner. Option B, diner. Option C, dinnerer. Option D, dinned. The correct answer is option A, dinner. Adding an extra N changes the vowel sound in the word to dinner. Question 327. What do we call the people who moved to California during the 1849 gold rush? Option A, 49ers. Option B, gold diggers. Option C, sourdoughs. Option D, pioneers. The correct answer is option A, 49ers. The name refers to the year 1849 when the rush peaked. Question 328. Which gland regulates your growth? Option A, the pituitary gland. Option B, the adrenal gland. Option C, the thyroid gland. Option D, the pancreas. The correct answer is option A, the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is often called the master gland because it controls growth and other glands. Question 329. Would the most recent entry on a blog typically appear first on a page or last? Option A, first. Option B, last. Option C, in the middle. Option D, on a separate page. The correct answer is option A, first. Blogs usually display content in reverse chronological order. Question 330. What does the prefix in mean in words like invisible and inaudible? Option A, not. Option B, very. Option C, inside. Option D, again. The correct answer is option A, not. The prefix in often functions as a negative meaning not or the opposite of. Question 331. After Congress passes a bill, who must sign it before it becomes law? Option A, the President. Option B, the Chief Justice. Option C, the Vice President. Option D, the Speaker of the House. The correct answer is option A, the President. The President has the power to sign bills into law or veto them. Question 332. The person who represents your country in a foreign country is called an what? Option A, ambassador. Option B, governor. Option C, senator. Option D, mayor. The correct answer is option A, ambassador. An ambassador is an official envoy who represents their state in a foreign nation. Question 333. Plant eaters are not necessary in a carnivore food chain. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Carnivores usually eat herbivores which eat plants, making the entire chain connected. Question 334. If Brad saves 15% of $10 each week, how much will he save in 4 weeks? Option A, $6. Option B, $1.50. Option C, $4. Option D, $10. The correct answer is option A, $6. 15% of 10 is $1.50 and 150 times 4 is 6. Question 335. In a physical map, what color is most often used for parks and forests? Option A, green. Option B, blue. Option C, brown. Option D, yellow. The correct answer is option A, green. Green typically represents vegetation and forested areas on maps. Question 336. Which word can you add after trap and before knob to get 2 compound words? Option A, door. Option B, house. Option C, key. Option D, lock. The correct answer is option A, door. This creates the words trapdoor and doorknob. Question 337. What immigrant group did most of the manual work in building the Erie Canal? Option A, Irish immigrants. Option B, German immigrants. Option C, Italian immigrants. Option D, Chinese immigrants. The correct answer is option A, Irish immigrants. Many Irish laborers worked under difficult conditions to dig the canal in the early 1800s. Question 338. More water vapor is held in cool air than in warm air. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Warm air has a higher capacity to hold water vapor than cool air. Question 339. What kind of race is the Indianapolis 500? Option A, an auto race. Option B, a horse race. Option C, a boat race. Option D, a foot race. The correct answer is option A, an auto race. The Indy 500 is a world-famous automobile race held in Indiana. Question 340. To avoid a run-on sentence, where do you need a period in the phrase "it was late I ran to school"? Option A, after the word late. Option B, after the word ran. Option C, after the word I. Option D, after the word was. The correct answer is option A, after the word late. A period is needed to separate 2 independent thoughts into 2 sentences. Question 341. In the Civil War, which of these states stayed in the Union? Option A, Illinois. Option B, Texas. Option C, Louisiana. Option D, Virginia. The correct answer is option A, Illinois. Illinois was a northern state that remained loyal to the Union. Question 342. If you need glasses to see the blackboard from your seat, are you nearsighted or farsighted? Option A, nearsighted. Option B, farsighted. Option C, blind. Option D, colorblind. The correct answer is option A, nearsighted. Nearsightedness means you can see close objects clearly but distant ones are blurry. Question 343. What do we call rain that contains harmful sulfur and nitrogen compounds? Option A, acid rain. Option B, heavy rain. Option C, misty rain. Option D, tropical rain. The correct answer is option A, acid rain. Acid rain is caused by atmospheric pollution and can damage environments. Question 344. Which shape has only one pair of parallel sides? Option A, a trapezoid. Option B, a rectangle. Option C, a square. Option D, a rhombus. The correct answer is option A, a trapezoid. Unlike a parallelogram, a trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel opposite sides. Question 345. Which state is not in the Mountain Time Zone? Option A, Kansas. Option B, Montana. Option C, Colorado. Option D, Utah. The correct answer is option A, Kansas. Most of Kansas is in the Central Time Zone. Question 346. Is an online place for information spelled website or websight? Option A, website. Option B, websight. Option C, website. Option D, website. The correct answer is option A, website. The term website is derived from a site on the World Wide Web. Question 347. Who was the United States President during the War of 1812? Option A, James Madison. Option B, Thomas Jefferson. Option C, James Monroe. Option D, Andrew Jackson. The correct answer is option A, James Madison. James Madison was the fourth president and led the country during the conflict with Britain. Question 348. Which can create electrical energy? Option A, a generator. Option B, a conductor. Option C, an insulator. Option D, a capacitor. The correct answer is option A, a generator. Generators convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Question 349. How do you say thank you in French? Option A, merci. Option B, bonjour. Option C, s'il vous plaît. Option D, au revoir. The correct answer is option A, merci. Merci is the standard way to express gratitude in the French language. Question 350. Take the word toil. Add 2 letters to it to name something found in a bathroom. Option A, toilet. Option B, toilette. Option C, toils. Option D, toiled. The correct answer is option A, toilet. Adding et to the end of toil creates the word toilet. Question 351. In the United States, labor unions have the legal right to strike. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. A strike is a work stoppage used as a tactic during labor negotiations. Question 352. What kind of object in space appears to have a long tail? Option A, a comet. Option B, an asteroid. Option C, a planet. Option D, a star. The correct answer is option A, a comet. Comets develop a coma and a tail when they pass close to the sun. Question 353. Solve for the letter n by using cross products in the equation 6/3 equals n divided by 20. Option A, 40. Option B, 20. Option C, 60. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option A, 40. 6 times 20 is 120 and 120 divided by 3 is 40. Question 354. If you flew east from Tokyo to San Francisco, what ocean would you cross? Option A, the Pacific Ocean. Option B, the Atlantic Ocean. Option C, the Indian Ocean. Option D, the Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option A, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean lies between Asia and North America. Question 355. Where does an apostrophe go in the phrase "Where did I put my mother's present"? Option A, after the R in mothers. Option B, after the S in mothers. Option C, before the M in mothers. Option D, there is no apostrophe. The correct answer is option A, after the R in mothers. The apostrophe goes before the S to show the present belongs to the mother. Question 356. What did Columbus name the first island he found in the New World? Option A, San Salvador. Option B, Cuba. Option C, Hispaniola. Option D, Puerto Rico. The correct answer is option A, San Salvador. Columbus landed in the Bahamas and named the island San Salvador. Question 357. Which is the main cause of air pollution in cities? Option A, automobiles. Option B, cigarettes. Option C, fires. Option D, trees. The correct answer is option A, automobiles. The exhaust from cars and trucks is a leading source of urban air pollution. Question 358. What is the name for an artist who carves statues out of clay, stone or metal? Option A, a sculptor. Option B, a painter. Option C, an architect. Option D, a weaver. The correct answer is option A, a sculptor. Sculptors create three-dimensional works of art. Question 359. Is the phrase whispering leaves an example of alliteration or personification? Option A, personification. Option B, alliteration. Option C, simile. Option D, hyperbole. The correct answer is option A, personification. Personification gives human actions like whispering to non-human objects like leaves. Question 360. In the Revolutionary War, what name was given to colonists who supported the British? Option A, Loyalists. Option B, Patriots. Option C, Minutemen. Option D, Redcoats. The correct answer is option A, Loyalists. Loyalists remained loyal to the British Crown during the American Revolution. Question 361. Were potatoes first grown by Native Americans, ancient Romans or the Irish? Option A, Native Americans. Option B, ancient Romans. Option C, the Irish. Option D, the Greeks. The correct answer is option A, Native Americans. Potatoes were first domesticated in the Andes region of South America. Question 362. Which creates the fastest winds on Earth? Option A, a tornado. Option B, a hurricane. Option C, a cyclone. Option D, a blizzard. The correct answer is option A, a tornado. Tornadoes can produce wind speeds far higher than those found in hurricanes. Question 363. What is the sum of the angles of any quadrilateral? Option A, 360 degrees. Option B, 180 degrees. Option C, 90 degrees. Option D, 540 degrees. The correct answer is option A, 360 degrees. Any four-sided polygon has internal angles that add up to 360 degrees. Question 364. What body of water lies west of Florida and east of Mexico? Option A, the Gulf of Mexico. Option B, the Atlantic Ocean. Option C, the Pacific Ocean. Option D, the Caribbean Sea. The correct answer is option A, the Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf of Mexico is a large ocean basin bordered by the United States, Mexico and Cuba. Question 365. If your sister is knee-high to a grasshopper, is she short or does she study bugs? Option A, she is short. Option B, she studies bugs. Option C, she is tall. Option D, she is a scientist. The correct answer is option A, she is short. This is an idiomatic expression used to describe a small child. Question 366. Who helped revolutionize personal computers as the co-founder of Microsoft? Option A, Bill Gates. Option B, George Eastman. Option C, Steve Jobs. Option D, Mark Zuckerberg. The correct answer is option A, Bill Gates. Bill Gates is a pioneer of the microcomputer revolution. Question 367. Iron turns red when it rusts. Is this a chemical reaction or a physical change? Option A, a chemical reaction. Option B, a physical change. Option C, a phase change. Option D, an evaporation. The correct answer is option A, a chemical reaction. Rusting is the oxidation of iron which creates a new substance. Question 368. Which of these is not currently an Olympic event? Option A, bowling. Option B, badminton. Option C, boxing. Option D, archery. The correct answer is option A, bowling. While popular, bowling is not part of the official Olympic Games program. Question 369. What are the last two letters of most adverbs in the English language? Option A, ly. Option B, ed. Option C, ing. Option D, es. The correct answer is option A, ly. Many adverbs are formed by adding ly to an adjective. Question 370. In 1775, who rode to Lexington to warn that the British were coming? Option A, Paul Revere. Option B, George Washington. Option C, Benjamin Franklin. Option D, Thomas Jefferson. The correct answer is option A, Paul Revere. Revere was a silversmith who took part in the famous Midnight Ride. Question 371. According to the old saying, what is worth 1,000 words? Option A, a picture. Option B, a book. Option C, a song. Option D, a secret. The correct answer is option A, a picture. The phrase suggests that a single image can convey complex ideas. Question 372. Biodiversity means having many different species of plants and animals. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Biodiversity is the biological variety and variability of life on Earth. Question 373. What is the sum of 0.7 and 12.03? Option A, 12.73. Option B, 12.10. Option C, 13.0. Option D, 11.33. The correct answer is option A, 12.73. Adding 0.7 to 12.03 results in 12.73. Question 374. Which is the capital city of South Korea? Option A, Seoul. Option B, Beijing. Option C, Calcutta. Option D, Tokyo. The correct answer is option A, Seoul. Seoul is the huge metropolis and capital of South Korea. Question 375. Is a sapling a young tree or something sickeningly sweet? Option A, a young tree. Option B, something sweet. Option C, a type of bird. Option D, a garden tool. The correct answer is option A, a young tree. A sapling is a young tree with a slender trunk. Question 376. Who led the Allied armies in Europe and later became the 34th president? Option A, Dwight D. Eisenhower. Option B, Douglas MacArthur. Option C, George Patton. Option D, Harry Truman. The correct answer is option A, Dwight D. Eisenhower. Eisenhower was the supreme Allied commander during World War II. Question 377. Which planet is Earth's nearest neighbor in space? Option A, Venus. Option B, Mars. Option C, Mercury. Option D, Jupiter. The correct answer is option A, Venus. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size and proximity. Question 378. What is the Roman numeral for the number 1000? Option A, M. Option B, C. Option C, D. Option D, Hell. The correct answer is option A, M. In Roman numerals, M represents 1000. Question 379. What letter is silent in the words ghost, ghoul and rhinestone? Option A, the letter H. Option B, the letter G. Option C, the letter T. Option D, the letter S. The correct answer is option A, the letter H. The H follows the G or R but is not pronounced in these words. Question 380. Who were the first Europeans to settle in Santa Fe and San Francisco? Option A, the Spanish. Option B, the French. Option C, the English. Option D, the Dutch. The correct answer is option A, the Spanish. Spanish explorers and missionaries established these settlements in the West and Southwest. Question 381. Robotics is the study of what type of machines? Option A, robots. Option B, cars. Option C, computers. Option D, airplanes. The correct answer is option A, robots. Robotics involves the design, construction and operation of robots. Question 382. Is the rate at which an object gains speed called acceleration or deceleration? Option A, acceleration. Option B, deceleration. Option C, velocity. Option D, momentum. The correct answer is option A, acceleration. Acceleration is the capacity of a physical system to increase its velocity. Question 383. Find the next number in the sequence 10, 20, 40. Option A 80, Option B 50, Option C 60, Option D 100. The correct answer is Option A 80. The sequence doubles the previous number each time. Question 384. What degree of longitude is used for the prime meridian? Option A 0 degrees, Option B 90 degrees, Option C 180 degrees, Option D 45 degrees. The correct answer is Option A 0 degrees. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich, England, and is the starting point for longitude. Question 385. Sam wrote a book about Jane life. Is this a biography or an autobiography? Option A, a biography. Option B, an autobiography. Option C, a novel. Option D, a diary. The correct answer is Option A, a biography. A biography is an account of a person's life written by someone else. Question 386. What trail did Lewis and Clark blaze during their expedition? Option A, the Oregon Trail. Option B, the Chisholm Trail. Option C, the Santa Fe Trail. Option D, the Silk Road. The correct answer is Option A, the Oregon Trail. Their journey helped establish the route that would become the Oregon Trail. Question 387. Sunspots are cooler than the rest of the sun's surface. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is Option A, true. Sunspots are temporary phenomena on the sun photosphere that appear as dark spots. Question 388. What two dog breeds are combined to get a Labradoodle? Option A, Labrador Retriever and Poodle. Option B, Golden Retriever and Poodle. Option C, Labrador and Beagle. Option D, Dalmatian and Poodle. The correct answer is Option A, Labrador Retriever and Poodle. Hybrid dog breeds like the Labradoodle combine traits from two purebreds. Question 389. What do you wear to sleep that has the word jam in it? Option A, pajamas. Option B, jam shorts. Option C, sweaters. Option D, robes. The correct answer is Option A, pajamas. Pajamas is the common word for sleepwear. Question 390. What is the final championship game in American professional football called? Option A, the Super Bowl. Option B, the World Series. Option C, the Stanley Cup. Option D, the Final Four. The correct answer is Option A, the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl is played annually by the winners of the NFL conferences. Question 391. Evaporation occurs when a liquid turns into a what? Option A, gas. Option B, solid. Option C, plasma. Option D, crystal. The correct answer is Option A, gas. Evaporation is a type of vaporization that happens on the surface of a liquid. Question 392. How much is 22.1 minus 19.9? Option A, 2.2. Option B, 3.2. Option C, 2.0. Option D, 1.8. The correct answer is Option A, 2.2. Subtracting 19.9 from 22.1 leaves 2.2. Question 393. Is the state of Iowa east or west of Illinois? Option A, west. Option B, east. Option C, north. Option D, south. The correct answer is Option A, west. Iowa is located directly to the west of Illinois across the Mississippi River. Question 394. Would you pick apples in an orchard or an orchid? Option A, an orchard. Option B, an orchid. Option C, a forest. Option D, a desert. The correct answer is Option A, an orchard. An orchard is a piece of land planted with fruit trees. Question 395. What do fins help fish do besides move through the water? Option A, keep their balance. Option B, hear sounds. Option C, breathe air. Option D, see prey. The correct answer is Option A, keep their balance. Fins are used for stabilization, steering and braking. Question 396. What are mozzarella, provolone and gorgonzola? Option A, cheeses. Option B, meats. Option C, breads. Option D, pastas. The correct answer is option A, cheeses. These are all varieties of Italian cheese. Question 397. Which of these is a proper noun that should be capitalized? Option A, Golden Gate Bridge. Option B, covered bridge. Option C, stone bridge. Option D, wooden bridge. The correct answer is option A, Golden Gate Bridge. The name of a specific landmark is a proper noun. Question 398. Was the 1848 Seneca Falls Convention held to debate abolition or women rights? Option A, women rights. Option B, abolition. Option C, the Civil War. Option D, taxation. The correct answer is option A, women rights. This was the first women rights convention in the United States. Question 399. Which would you check to get the latest weather forecast? Option A, the Weather Channel. Option B, a wiki page. Option C, a history book. Option D, a cookbook. The correct answer is option A, the Weather Channel. The Weather Channel provides real-time updates and predictions. Question 400. Capillaries are the largest blood vessels in the human body. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels while the aorta is the largest. Question 401. If Tess has 20 stamps, how many thousands of stamps does she have? Option A, 2,000. Option B, 20,000. Option C, 200. Option D, 1,000. The correct answer is option A, 2,000. 20 times 100 equals 2,000. Question 402. Is Mount Rushmore located in North Dakota or South Dakota? Option A, South Dakota. Option B, North Dakota. Option C, Montana. Option D, Wyoming. The correct answer is option A, South Dakota. The mountain sculpture is located in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Question 403. The American West was changed by the Iron Horse. What was the Iron Horse? Option A, a steam locomotive. Option B, a metal statue. Option C, a plow. Option D, a car. The correct answer is option A, a steam locomotive. The railroad revolutionized transport across the continent. Question 404. Who argued that the planets revolve around the Sun? Option A, Copernicus. Option B, Galileo. Option C, Newton. Option D, Columbus. The correct answer is option A, Copernicus. Nicholas Copernicus proposed the heliocentric model of the universe. Question 405. Would you hear the words going once going twice at an auction or a boxing match? Option A, an auction. Option B, a boxing match. Option C, a baseball game. Option D, a library. The correct answer is option A, an auction. The auctioneer says these words before declaring an item sold. Question 406. Which political party in the United States is also known as the GOP? Option A, the Republican Party. Option B, the Democratic Party. Option C, the Libertarian Party. Option D, the Green Party. The correct answer is option A, the Republican Party. GOP stands for Grand Old Party. Question 407. In the poem Casey at the Bat, does Casey team win or lose? Option A, his team loses. Option B, his team wins. Option C, the game is a tie. Option D, the game is cancelled. The correct answer is option A, his team loses. In the famous poem Casey strikes out and his team loses. Question 408. When you ride a bike, do you produce chemical or kinetic energy? Option A, kinetic energy. Option B, chemical energy. Option C, nuclear energy. Option D, static energy. The correct answer is option A, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Question 409. What are the next three numbers in the series 11, 9, 16, 14? Option A 2119 and 26. Option B 2022 and 24. Option C 1513 and 18. Option D 10:8 and 15. The correct answer is option A, 2119 and 26. The pattern is subtract 2 then add 7. Question 410. Does Chicago border on Lake Michigan, Lake Erie, or the Great Salt Lake? Option A, Lake Michigan. Option B, Lake Erie. Option C, Great Salt Lake. Option D, Lake Superior. The correct answer is option A, Lake Michigan. Chicago is located on the southwestern shore of Lake Michigan. Question 411. Is the phrase "the gym smelled like feet" an example of a simile or personification? Option A, a simile. Option B, personification. Option C, a metaphor. Option D, an idiom. The correct answer is option A, a simile. A simile uses the words like or as to compare two different things. Question 412. What Civil War general became the 18th President of the United States? Option A, Ulysses S. Grant. Option B, Robert E. Lee. Option C, William Sherman. Option D, Stonewall Jackson. The correct answer is option A, Ulysses S. Grant. Grant led the Union Army to victory before serving as president. Question 413. Are freckles an inherited trait or do you get them only from sitting in the sun? Option A, an inherited trait. Option B, only from the sun. Option C, from eating fruit. Option D, from a virus. The correct answer is option A, an inherited trait. While the sun can make them darker, the tendency to have freckles is genetic. Question 414. Which country did not send explorers to the Americas? Option A, Germany. Option B, France. Option C, Spain. Option D, England. The correct answer is option A, Germany. Germany was not a major colonial power in the Americas during the Age of Discovery. Question 415. When we see less of the moon each night, is it waxing or waning? Option A, waning. Option B, waxing. Option C, fulling. Option D, growing. The correct answer is option A, waning. Waning means the visible portion of the moon is decreasing. Question 416. How many pounds are in 1/4 of a ton? Option A, 500 pounds. Option B, 200 pounds. Option C, 1,000 pounds. Option D, 400 pounds. The correct answer is option A, 500 pounds. A full ton is 2,000 pounds, so 1/4 is 500. Question 417. Which adjective describes the sound of wet shoes? Option A is squeaky. Option B, muddy. Option C is soggy. Option D, crunchy. The correct answer is option A, squeaky. Squeaky is an onomatopoeic word for high-pitched sounds made by friction and moisture. Question 418. The United States dropped atomic bombs on what country during World War II? Option A, Japan. Option B, Germany. Option C, Italy. Option D, Russia. The correct answer is option A, Japan. The bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Question 419. In what position does a bat sleep? Option A, upside down. Option B, on its side. Option C, curled in a ball. Option D, standing up. The correct answer is option A, upside down. Bats hang by their feet from the ceilings of caves or trees. Question 420. Who usually solves the mystery, Sherlock Holmes or Dr. Watson? Option A, Sherlock Holmes. Option B, Dr. Watson. Option C, Inspector Lestrade. Option D, Professor Moriarty. The correct answer is option A, Sherlock Holmes. Holmes is the famous detective while Watson is his assistant and narrator. Question 421. Which amendment to the Constitution guarantees free speech and freedom of religion? Option A, the First Amendment. Option B, the Second Amendment. Option C, the Fifth Amendment. Option D, the 10th Amendment. The correct answer is option A, the First Amendment. The First Amendment protects several fundamental individual freedoms. Question 422. Who wrote the book The Hobbit? Option A, J.R.R. Tolkien. Option B, J.K. Rowling. Option C, C.S. Lewis. Option D, Roald Dahl. The correct answer is option A, J.R.R. Tolkien. Tolkien was an English author and academic known for his high fantasy works. Question 423. About how long ago did dinosaurs go extinct? Option A, 65 million years. Option B, 50 million years. Option C, 150 million years. Option D, 10,000 years. The correct answer is option A, 65 million years. The non-avian dinosaurs died out approximately 65 million years ago. Question 424. A straight angle measures how many degrees? Option A, 180 degrees. Option B, 90 degrees. Option C, 360 degrees. Option D, 45 degrees. The correct answer is option A, 180 degrees. A straight angle looks like a flat line. Question 425. Which state is not considered part of the American South? Option A, Indiana. Option B, Tennessee. Option C, Georgia. Option D, Louisiana. The correct answer is option A, Indiana. Indiana is part of the Midwest region. Question 426. Find a short synonym for influenza inside the word itself. Option A, flu. Option B, in. Option C, len. Option D, za. The correct answer is option A, flu. The word flu is a shortened form of influenza. Question 427. What common mineral is found in our tears? Option A, salt. Option B, iron. Option C, gold. Option D, calcium. The correct answer is option A, salt. Tears are mostly water but contain electrolytes like sodium chloride, which is salt. Question 428. Which president came first, Theodore Roosevelt or Franklin Delano Roosevelt? Option A, Theodore Roosevelt. Option B, Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Option C, Eleanor Roosevelt. Option D, John Roosevelt. The correct answer is option A, Theodore Roosevelt. Theodore served from 1901 and was Franklin's distant cousin. Question 429. What is the name for the first day of winter in the Northern Hemisphere? Option A, December 21st. Option B, March 21st. Option C, June 21st. Option D, September 21st. The correct answer is option A, December 21st. This is known as the winter solstice and is the shortest day of the year. Question 430. Which of these shapes is not a quadrilateral? Option A, a pyramid. Option B, a rhombus. Option C, a square. Option D, a trapezoid. The correct answer is option A, a pyramid. A pyramid is a three-dimensional solid while quadrilaterals are two-dimensional four-sided shapes. Question 431. In the 1890s, were most sweatshop workers Jewish or Hispanic? Option A, Jewish. Option B, Hispanic. Option C, Irish. Option D, Italian. The correct answer is option A, Jewish. Many Jewish immigrants worked in the garment industry in New York City. Question 432. Which of these does not grow from spores? Option A, cacti. Option B, mosses. Option C, ferns. Option D, fungi. The correct answer is option A, cacti. Cacti are flowering plants that grow from seeds. Question 433. What do you call the stick used by an orchestra conductor? Option A, a baton. Option B, a wand. Option C, a staff. Option D, a bow. The correct answer is option A, a baton. The conductor uses a baton to indicate the tempo and beat of the music. Question 434. What is the smallest wind instrument in a standard orchestra? Option A, the piccolo. Option B, the flute. Option C, the clarinet. Option D, the oboe. The correct answer is option A, the piccolo. The piccolo is a half-size flute and has the highest pitch. Question 435. The video game cost $50 but was marked up by 5%. What does it cost now? Option A, $52.50. Option B, $55. Option C, $51. Option D, $60. The correct answer is option A, $52.50. 5% of 50 is $2.50, which is added to the original price. Question 436. Name the canal that separates Central America and South America. Option A, the Panama Canal. Option B, the Suez Canal. Option C, the Erie Canal. Option D, the Grand Canal. The correct answer is option A, the Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is a waterway that connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Question 437. Where does the word it's need an apostrophe in the sentence it's cold? Option A, before the S. Option B, after the S. Option C, it does not need one. Option D, in the middle of the I. The correct answer is option A, before the S. It''S is the contraction for it is. Question 438. What do you call the center of a dartboard? Option A, the bullseye. Option B, the red zone. Option C, the target. Option D, the hole. The correct answer is option A, the bullseye. The bullseye is the small circular area in the center that is worth the most points. Question 439. Take the word wiggle. Replace one letter to get a kind of laugh. Option A, giggle. Option B, wiggle. Option C, jiggle. Option D, tickle. The correct answer is option A, giggle. Replacing the W with a G creates the word giggle. Question 440. Which state flag features a grizzly bear beneath a single red star? Option A, California. Option B, Texas. Option C, Alaska. Option D, Montana. The correct answer is option A, California. The bear flag is the official flag of the state of California. Question 441. Submersibles are used to explore faraway planets like Saturn. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Submersibles are underwater craft used to explore the deep ocean. Question 442. Simplify the fraction 400 divided by 4000. Option A, 1/10. Option B, 1/100th. Option C, 1/5. Option D, 1/4. The correct answer is option A, 1/10. Both numbers can be divided by 400 to get 1/10. Question 443. The phrase "the dog of my neighbor won't stop barking" is awkward. How would you revise it? Option A, my neighbor's dog. Option B, the neighbor's dog. Option C, my neighbor dog. Option D, the neighbor of mine's dog. The correct answer is option A, my neighbor's dog. Possessive nouns use an apostrophe and an S to show ownership. Question 444. What famous battle did the Mexicans win in San Antonio, Texas in 1836? Option A, the Battle of the Alamo. Option B, the Battle of San Jacinto. Option C, the Battle of Gettysburg. Option D, the Battle of Yorktown. The correct answer is option A, the Battle of the Alamo. The Mexican army led by Santa Anna defeated the Texian defenders at the Alamo. Question 445. Wi-Fi allows you to access the internet wirelessly. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Wireless fidelity technology uses radio waves to provide high-speed internet connections. Question 446. Which finding in a client with increased intracranial pressure requires immediate intervention? Option A, Glasgow Coma Scale score decreases from 14 to 10. Option B, pupils equal and reactive. Option C, systolic blood pressure 150 mm of mercury. Option D, respiratory rate 10 breaths per minute. The correct answer is option A, Glasgow Coma Scale score decreases from 14 to 10. A decreasing Glasgow Coma Scale score indicates worsening neurologic status and possible rising intracranial pressure. Rapid deterioration can lead to brain herniation, and early detection is critical to prevent irreversible injury. Question 447. Administering hypotonic intravenous fluids is the standard of care for a patient with increased intracranial pressure. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Hypotonic fluids like 0.45% normal saline shift fluid into brain cells and worsen cerebral edema. Isotonic or hypertonic solutions are preferred to manage pressure. Question 448. Which medication is an osmotic diuretic commonly used to reduce intracranial pressure? Option A, mannitol. Option B, aspirin. Option C, lisinopril. Option D, ibuprofen. The correct answer is option A, mannitol. Mannitol increases serum osmolality and draws fluid from the brain tissue into the vascular space, which reduces intracranial pressure. Question 449. What word added to each of these words makes a compound word butter, dragon, and horse? Option A, fly. Option B, bug. Option C, wing. Option D, race. The correct answer is option A, fly. Adding the word fly creates the compound words butterfly, dragonfly, and horsefly. Question 450. Which state is not considered part of the American South? Option A, Indiana. Option B, Tennessee. Option C, Georgia. Option D, Louisiana. The correct answer is option A, Indiana. While Tennessee, Georgia, and Louisiana are southern states, Indiana is located in the Midwest. Question 451. Who won the French and Indian War? Option A, the British. Option B, the French. Option C, the Spanish. Option D, the Dutch. The correct answer is option A, the British. The British victory in 1763 led to the expansion of their territory in North America at the expense of the French. Question 452. What state of matter is sand? Option A, solid. Option B, liquid. Option C, gas. Option D, plasma. The correct answer is option A, solid. Even though sand can be poured like a liquid, each individual grain is a solid. Question 453. What is the subject of the command "put away that cell phone"? Option A, the person being spoken to. Option B, the cell phone. Option C, the speaker. Option D, the room. The correct answer is option A, the person being spoken to. In imperative sentences or commands, the subject is the understood pronoun you. Question 454. Find the dependent clause in the sentence "I emailed you when I could not reach you on your cell phone." Option A, when I could not reach you on your cell phone. Option B, I emailed you. Option C, on your cell phone. Option D, could not reach you. The correct answer is option A, when I could not reach you on your cell phone. A dependent clause contains a subject and a verb but cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Question 455. Does a moving arrow have potential energy or kinetic energy? Option A, kinetic energy. Option B, potential energy. Option C, thermal energy. Option D, solar energy. The correct answer is option A, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy an object possesses due to its motion. Question 456. Name at least 5 of the 13 original American colonies. Option A, Connecticut, New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, and Massachusetts. Option B, California, Texas, Florida, Oregon, and Washington. Option C, Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, and Wisconsin. Option D, Nevada, Arizona, Utah, Colorado, and New Mexico. The correct answer is option A, Connecticut, New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, and Massachusetts. These 5 were among the original colonies that declared independence from Great Britain in 1776. Question 457. Correct the spelling errors in the sentence "Polar bears are white as snow." Option A, polar bears are white as snow. Option B, polar bears are white as snow. Option C, polar bears are white as snow. Option D, polar bears are white as snow. The correct answer is option A. Polar bears are white as snow. The correct spellings are bears white and snow. Question 458. In what season of the year might you experience an Indian summer? Option A. Fall or autumn. Option B. Spring. Option C. Summer. Option D. Winter. The correct answer is option A. Fall or autumn. An Indian summer is a period of unseasonably warm dry weather that occurs in late autumn. Question 459. Which letters spell the name of a parasitic jumping insect? Option A. FLEA, option B. FLEE, option C. FLEY, option D. FLEH. The correct answer is option A. FLEA. FLEA refers to the insect while FLE means to run away. Question 460. The state of Minnesota has more than 10,000 lakes. True or false? Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option A. True. Minnesota is famously known as the land of 10,000 lakes, though it actually has even more. Question 461. In the word explain, which syllable is stressed? Option A. The second syllable. Option B. The first syllable. Option C. Both syllables. Option D. Neither syllable. The correct answer is option A. The second syllable. The word is pronounced explain with the emphasis on the final syllable. Question 462. Correct the verb in this sentence. I did not see you but you was there all the time. Option A. I did not see you but you were there all the time. Option B. I did not see you but you are there all the time. Option C. I did not see you but you've been there all the time. Option D. I did not see you but you is there all the time. The correct answer is option A. I did not see you but you were there all the time. The past tense of the verb to be for the second person singular is were. Question 463. Who does not belong in this group? Hopi, Pawnee, Zuni, Sioux and Chicanos. Option A. Chicanos. Option B. Hopi. Option C. Pawnee. Option D. Sioux. The correct answer is option A. Chicanos. Chicanos is a term for people of Mexican descent, while the others are names of Native American tribes. Question 464. Does a biennial plant complete its life cycle in 1 year, 2 years or half a year? Option A. 2 years. Option B. 1 year. Option C. 3 years. Option D. 5 years. The correct answer is option A. 2 years. Biennial plants require 2 growing seasons to complete their biological life cycle. Question 465. Subtract 11 and 3/8 from 16 and 10/16. Option A. 5 and 1/4. Option B. 5 and 1/8. Option C. 4 and 3/4. Option D. 6 and 1/2. The correct answer is option A. 5 and 1/4. 10/16 is equal to 5/8. 5/8 minus 3/8 is 2/8 or 1/4. 16 minus 11 is 5. Question 466. There are 2 major cities in the United States named Kansas City. True or false? Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option A. True. There is a Kansas City in Missouri and a Kansas City in Kansas located right next to each other. Question 467. The statement the best way to travel is on a jumbo jet is a fact or an opinion. Option A. An opinion. Option B. A fact. Option C. A theory. Option D. A law. The correct answer is option A. An opinion. Statements about the best way to do something are subjective and based on personal preference. Question 468. Who was the first United States president to resign before the end of his term? Option A. Richard Nixon. Option B. Andrew Johnson. Option C. Bill Clinton. Option D. Gerald Ford. The correct answer is option A. Richard Nixon. Richard Nixon resigned in 1974 following the Watergate scandal. Question 469. Is the power of a light bulb measured in volts or watts? Option A. Watts. Option B. Volts. Option C. Amps. Option D. Ohms. The correct answer is option A. Watts. Wattage measures the rate of energy consumption in an electrical device. Question 470. If your father remarries, what is the term used to describe his new wife relationship to you? Option A, stepmother. Option B, aunt. Option C, godmother. Option D, cousin. The correct answer is option A, stepmother. A stepmother is the wife of one parent after the dissolution of a previous marriage. Question 471. In a business letter, what punctuation mark follows the greeting "to whom it may concern"? Option A, a colon. Option B, a comma. Option C, a semicolon. Option D, a period. The correct answer is option A, a colon. Formal business greetings are traditionally followed by a colon. Question 472. Was the use of assembly lines in factories introduced by J.P. Morgan or Henry Ford? Option A, Henry Ford. Option B, J.P. Morgan. Option C, Andrew Carnegie. Option D, John Rockefeller. The correct answer is option A, Henry Ford. Henry Ford used the assembly line to mass produce the Model T automobile. Question 473. A tangelo is a cross between a tangerine and what other fruit? Option A, grapefruit. Option B, orange. Option C, lemon. Option D, lime. The correct answer is option A, grapefruit. The name tangelo is a portmanteau of tangerine and pomelo, which is similar to a grapefruit. Question 474. Which star in our galaxy is the closest to Earth? Option A, the Sun. Option B, Proxima Centauri. Option C, Sirius. Option D, North Star. The correct answer is option A, the Sun. The Sun is a star and is the center of our solar system and the closest star to our planet. Question 475. What is the product of 0.9 multiplied by 8? Option A, 7.2. Option B, 7.0. Option C, 8.9. Option D, 0.8. The correct answer is option A, 7.2. 9 times 8 is 72, so 0.9 times 8 is 7.2. Question 476. In what city can you stand on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial? Option A, Washington, District of Columbia. Option B, Philadelphia. Option C, New York City. Option D, Chicago. The correct answer is option A, Washington, District of Columbia. The Lincoln Memorial is located on the National Mall in the capital of the United States. Question 477. Which describes a petrified tree, afraid turned to stone or uprooted? Option A, turned to stone. Option B, afraid. Option C, uprooted. Option D, ancient. The correct answer is option A, turned to stone. Putrefaction is the process by which organic material becomes a fossil through the replacement by minerals. Question 478. If both the United States President and Vice President should die, who becomes President? Option A, Speaker of the House. Option B, Secretary of State. Option C, Chief Justice. Option D, Senate Majority Leader. The correct answer is option A, Speaker of the House. The Speaker of the House is second in the line of presidential succession after the Vice President. Question 479. Both plant and animal cells are surrounded by cell walls. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. False. Only plant cells have a rigid cell wall while animal cells only have a cell membrane. Question 480. What do these vegetables have in common? Asparagus, chicory, and artichokes. Option A, their green color. Option B, they are all root vegetables. Option C, they are all fruits. Option D, they are all purple. The correct answer is option A, their green color. These vegetables are distinct for their characteristic green hues. Question 481. Did the father advise his son to drive carefully? Option A, advise. Option B, advice. Option C, advisedly. Option D, advisement. The correct answer is option A, advise. Advise is the verb form meaning to give counsel, while advice is the noun. Question 482. What colony was founded by James Oglethorpe? Option A, Georgia. Option B, Vermont. Option C, Maryland. Option D, Virginia. The correct answer is option A, Georgia. Oglethorpe established the colony of Georgia in 1732 as a place for debtors. Question 483. Which bus stops at every station along the way, limited, local, or express? Option A, local. Option B, limited. Option C, express. Option D, rapid. The correct answer is option A, local. Local buses make frequent stops to serve all points on a route. Question 484. Lava from a volcano is magma that has reached the Earth's surface. True or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Magma is called lava once it is expelled from the interior of a terrestrial planet. Question 485. What decimal is equal to the sum of 3 dimes, 4 nickels, and 1 quarter? Option A, 0.75. Option B, 0.50. Option C, 1.00. Option D, 0.65. The correct answer is option A, 0.75. 30 cents plus 20 cents plus 25 cents equals 75 cents. Question 486. Which two of these are natural disasters, oil spill, earthquake, or tsunami? Option A, earthquake and tsunami. Option B, oil spill and earthquake. Option C, oil spill and tsunami. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, earthquake and tsunami. Earthquakes and tsunamis are caused by natural geological processes, whereas oil spills are man-made. Question 487. What is the prefix and the suffix in the word unthinkable? Option A, the prefix is un and the suffix is able. Option B, the prefix is un and the suffix is think. Option C, the prefix is think and the suffix is able. Option D, the prefix is re and the suffix is able. The correct answer is option A, the prefix is un and the suffix is able. Un means not, and able means capable of. Question 488. Name the escape system that helped Southern slaves make their way north. Option A, the Underground Railroad. Option B, the Iron Horse. Option C, the Oregon Trail. Option D, the Freedom Road. The correct answer is option A, the Underground Railroad. The Underground Railroad was a network of secret routes and safe houses. Question 489. Are muscles attached to bones by tendons or by ligaments? Option A, tendons. Option B, ligaments. Option C, cartilage. Option D, skin. The correct answer is option A, tendons. Tendons connect muscle to bone while ligaments connect bone to bone. Question 490. Find a positive number which, when increased by 11, is equal to 60 times the reciprocal of the number. Option A, 7. Option B, 4. Option C, 11. Option D, 15. The correct answer is option B, 4. If the number is x, then x plus 11 equals 60 divided by x. This forms the quadratic equation x squared plus 11x minus 60 equals 0. Solving for x gives 4. Question 491. If x and y are two whole numbers such that x to the power of y equals 121, what is the value of the expression x minus 1 to the power of y minus 1? Option A, 1. Option B, 10. Option C, 121. Option D, 1000. The correct answer is option B, 10. Since 11 squared equals 121, x is 11 and y is 2. The expression then becomes 11 minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 10 to the power of 1, or 10. Question 492. A ladder of a certain fixed length leans against a wall, forming a 60-degree angle between the ground and the ladder. If the bottom of the ladder is 10 feet away from the wall, how long is the ladder? Option A, 20 feet. Option B, 10 feet. Option C, 5 feet. Option D, 1.54 feet. The correct answer is option A, 20 feet. Using the cosine of 60 degrees, which equals adjacent over hypotenuse 10 divided by the length of the ladder equals 0.5, therefore the ladder is 20 feet long. Question 493. An angle is equal to 1/4 of its supplement. what would be the measure of that angle in degrees? Option A 18 degrees, option B 36 degrees, option C 45 degrees, option D 72 degrees. The correct answer is option B, 36 degrees. If the angle is x, then its supplement is 180 minus x, setting x equal to 1/4 of 180 minus x results in x equals 36. Question 494. The complement of an angle exceeds the angle by 60 degrees. What is the measure of the angle? Option A 30 degrees, option B 15 degrees, option C 35 degrees, option D 90 degrees. The correct answer is option B, 15 degrees. If the angle is x, then its complement is 90 minus x, setting 90 minus x equal to x plus 60 leads to 2x equals 30, so the angle is 15 degrees. Question 495. If the difference between the two acute angles of a right triangle is 10 degrees, what will be the measure of the smaller angle? Option A 50 degrees, option B 40 degrees, option C 80 degrees, option D 70 degrees. The correct answer is option B, 40 degrees. The two acute angles must sum to 90 degrees. If their difference is 10, then the equations x plus y equals 90 and x minus y equals 10 result in angles of 50 and 40. Question 496. A circle is inscribed in a square of area 4. What will be the area of the circle? Option A 2 pi, option B pi, option C 16 pi, option D pi over 2. The correct answer is option B, pi. A square with an area of 4 has sides of 2. The inscribed circle will have a diameter of 2 and a radius of 1. The area of the circle is pi times 1 squared, or pi. Question 497. The circumference of a circle is x times pi units and the area of the circle is y times pi units. If x equals y, what would be the radius of the circle? Option A 1, option B 3, option C pi, option D 2. The correct answer is option D, 2. If the circumference 2 pi r equals the area pi r squared, then 2 r equals r squared. Solving for r gives a radius of 2. Question 498. If A is the area and C is the circumference of a circle, which of the following shows the relation of A in terms of C? Option A 2 times C, option B 2 times C squared times the square root of pi, option C C squared divided by 4 pi, option D 4 pi times C. The correct answer is option C, C squared divided by 4 pi. Since the radius is C divided by 2 pi, the area pi r squared becomes pi times the square of C divided by 2 pi, which simplifies to C squared divided by 4 pi. Question 499. If there are 1,050 students in a school and the ratio of boys to girls is 9 to 5, then what is the number of boys in the school? Option A 800, option B 675, option C 650, option D 445. The correct answer is option B, 675. The total ratio parts are 9 plus 5, which equals 14. Dividing 1050 by 14 gives 75. Multiplying 75 by 9 results in 675 boys. Question 500. Twice the price of a scooter is equal to thrice the price of a television. If the price of the scooter is $600 more than the television, what is the price of the television? Option A, $1,800. Option B, $1,500. Option C, $1,200. Option D, $2,400. The correct answer is option C, $1,200. Setting the television price as x, then 2 times the quantity x plus 600 equals 3x. Solving the equation results in x equals 1,200. Question 501. In a college, the ratio of the number of boys to girls is 8 to 5. If the number of boys is 160, what will be the total number of students in the college? Option A, 400. Option B, 220. Option C, 260. Option D, 416. The correct answer is option C, 260. If 8 units equal 160 boys, then 1 unit equals 20. The total number of units is 8 plus 5, or 13. Multiplying 13 by 20 gives 260 total students. Question 502. In 2 successive years the population of a town decreased by 20% and 30%. What total percent of the population decreased after 2 years? Option A 40%, Option B 56%, Option C 25%, Option D 44%. The correct answer is Option D, 44%. A 20% decrease followed by a 30% decrease results in a remaining population of 0.8 times 0.7, which is 56%. The total decrease is 100 minus 56 or 44%. Question 503. If 200% of a number is 90, then what is 80% of that number? Option A 48, Option B 36, Option C 28, Option D 44. The correct answer is Option B, 36. If 200% of a number is 90, then the number itself is 45. 80% of 45 is 36. Question 504. If the radius of a sphere is increased by 10%, by what percent does the surface area increase? Option A 20%, Option B 31%, Option C 21%, Option D 100%. The correct answer is Option C, 21%. Surface area is proportional to the square of the radius. 1.1 squared is 1.21, which represents a 21% increase in area. Question 505. A student has to score 15% marks to pass an exam. If he gets 80 marks and fails by 70 marks, what are the maximum marks set for the exam? Option A 150, Option B 1,500, Option C 100, Option D 1,000. The correct answer is Option D, 1,000. The student needed 80 plus 70 or 150 marks to pass. If 15% of the total is 150, then the total marks must be 1,000. Question 506. The average of 5 consecutive numbers is 30. What will be the largest number of these 5? Option A 30, Option B 32, Option C 33, Option D 28. The correct answer is Option B, 32. In a set of 5 consecutive numbers, the average is the middle number. If 30 is the middle, then the sequence is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, making 32 the largest. Question 507. The mean of 100 observations was calculated as 40, but one observation was misread as 83 instead of 53. What is the correct mean? Option A 40.2, Option B 39.7, Option C 42.7, Option D 40.5. The correct answer is Option B, 39.7. The original total was 4,000. Subtracting the error of 83 and adding the correct value of 53 gives a new total of 3,970. Dividing by 100 results in a mean of 39.7. Question 508. If 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, what is the probability of getting a sum of 7 or 11? Option A 1/9, Option B 1/18, Option C 2/9, Option D 4/9. The correct answer is Option C, 2/9. There are 6 ways to roll a 7 and 2 ways to roll an 11 for a total of 8 favorable outcomes out of 36. 8/36 simplifies to 2/9. Question 509. If heat is added to a liquid, which of the following occurs? Option A. The viscosity of the liquid increases. Option B. The size of the liquid molecules expand. Option C. The molecular motion in the liquid increases. Option D. The state of the liquid changes to a solid. The correct answer is Option C. The molecular motion in the liquid increases. Adding heat increases the kinetic energy of the molecules, which causes them to move more rapidly within the liquid. Question 510. Based on the provided text, what is a major possible cause of epilepsy? Option A. Injury to the brain. Option B. Paralysis. Option C. Typhoid fever. Option D. Diabetes mellitus. The correct answer is Option A. Injury to the brain. The text notes that epilepsy affects the brain and starts with repeated seizures. Medical context identifies brain injury as a primary cause for these neurological disruptions. Question 511. If we add oil, water and sweet syrup into a bottle, they form liquid layers and do not mix. What is the primary reason for this? Option A, different volumes. Option B, different densities. Option C, different speed of molecules. Option D, different viscosities. The correct answer is option B, different densities. Liquids with different densities that are immiscible will separate into layers with the densest liquid at the bottom. Question 512. Our star is a bubbling charged ball of gas. What is meant by our star in the passage given above? Option A, our galaxy. Option B, Earth. Option C, any other planet. Option D, the Sun. The correct answer is option D, the Sun. The passage describes solar flares and energized particles reaching Earth, which identifies our star as the Sun. Question 513. How may solar flares affect humans on Earth? Option A, they can strike and burn us directly. Option B, solar flare particles cannot reach beyond Venus. Option C, they can produce high-energy radiations that can affect us. Option D, they can produce gigantic particles that burn the surface. The correct answer is option C, they can produce high-energy radiations that can affect us. Solar flares release high-energy radiation and particles that can interfere with technology and affect the atmosphere. Question 514. Why are we well protected from the effects of solar flares on the surface of the Earth? Option A, because of the magnetic field of our galaxy. Option B, because of the gravitational pull of Earth. Option C, because of the magnetic field of Earth. Option D, because of the magnetic field of the Sun. The correct answer is option C, because of the magnetic field of Earth. The Earth is surrounded by a magnetic field called the magnetosphere, which deflects the majority of harmful solar particles. Question 515. When organisms die, they typically decay, but sometimes they are preserved as fossils under the right conditions. What title could be best assigned to this passage? Option A, how fossils are formed. Option B, how fossils are preserved. Option C, how animals decay. Option D, how fossils are changed. The correct answer is option B, how fossils are preserved. The passage focuses on the specific conditions and processes such as freezing or pressure that allow organisms to be preserved rather than decaying. Question 516. What can cause the release of hydrogen and oxygen from the tissues of buried organisms during fossilization? Option A, freezing and drying of tissues. Option B, heat and pressure. Option C, burning. Option D, oxidation. The correct answer is option B, heat and pressure. According to the text, the heat and pressure resulting from being buried in sediment can cause tissues to release hydrogen and oxygen. Question 517. Which of the following is an example of something that would not be included in the United States gross domestic product? Option A, government spending. Option B, money spent by an Italian company in the United States. Option C, profit from a factory owned by a United States citizen but operated in Brazil. Option D, the salary of a non-United States citizen working in the United States. The correct answer is option C, profit from a factory owned by a United States citizen but operated in Brazil. Gross domestic product only measures the value of goods and services produced within a country's physical borders. Question 518. A person at an all-you-can-eat buffet enjoys his first 2 plates but can hardly stomach the third. How would an economist explain this? Option A, the supply curve was increasing. Option B, the total utility of the food was decreasing. Option C, the marginal cost of the food was increasing. Option D, the marginal utility of the food was decreasing. The correct answer is option D, the marginal utility of the food was decreasing. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that the satisfaction gained from each additional unit of a good decreases as more is consumed. Question 519. How does a government typically measure inflation? Option A, it confers with expert economists. Option B, it measures changes in the value of the United States dollar and treasury bonds. Option C, it measures the change in value of a specific list of items. Option D, it measures the change in the value of a long list of wages and salaries. The correct answer is option C. It measures the change in value of a specific list of items. Inflation is measured by tracking price changes for a basket of consumer goods and services over time. Question 520. A plant that produces 100 units of an item decides to make 101 units instead. What is the cost of this single additional unit called? Option A, cost of growth. Option B, per unit expenditure. Option C, marginal cost. Option D, overhead cost. The correct answer is option C, marginal cost. Marginal cost refers to the additional cost incurred by producing one more unit of a good or service. Question 521. Which of the following is not a necessary condition for a perfect market? Option A, the absence of regulation. Option B, equal access to technology. Option C, all actors have total information about the market. Option D, no barrier to entry or exit. The correct answer is option A, the absence of regulation. While many perfect markets are unregulated, the essential conditions involve information access and the lack of barriers rather than the total absence of rules. Question 522. Which economic system states that the wealth of a nation depends on its total available capital? Option A, capitalism. Option B, mercantilism. Option C, communism. Option D, feudalism. The correct answer is option B, mercantilism. Mercantilism is an economic theory that suggests a nation's wealth and power are best increased by accumulating capital through a positive balance of trade. Question 523. How do economists quantify the possibility that invested money could have been used for another purpose later on? Option A, risk. Option B, cost of money. Option C, inflation. Option D, opportunity cost. The correct answer is option D, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost represents the potential benefits an individual or business misses out on when choosing one alternative over another. Question 524. Why does the marginal cost of most manufactured goods decrease as production increases? Option A, the overhead is spread over more units. Option B, the factory becomes more efficient. Option C, new workers will accept lower wages. Option D, to account for reduced marginal utility. The correct answer is option A, the overhead is spread over more units. Economies of scale allow fixed overhead costs to be distributed across a larger number of units, reducing the cost per additional unit. Question 525. What is a necessary prerequisite for a society to undergo industrialization? Option A, universal education. Option B, a democratic government. Option C, a food surplus. Option D, the protection of human rights. The correct answer is option C, a food surplus. A food surplus is required so that a portion of the population can stop farming and move into manufacturing and industrial roles. Question 526. Foreign direct investment involves an entity in one country investing in an entity in another country. Which statement is true regarding these investments? Option A, foreign direct investment creates job opportunities for the host country. Option B, foreign direct investment brings foreign capital for the host country. Option C, foreign direct investment brings both technology and capital for the host country. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Foreign direct investment is beneficial because it provides the host country with capital, technology, and increased employment. Question 527. Overseas individuals investing in equities listed on a nation's stock exchange is an example of indirect foreign investment. Which statement is true about this process? Option A, the investor takes control over the company. Option B, the investor delivers new technologies and ideas to the host country. Option C, the investor provides capital flow only to the host country. Option D, the investor normally does not receive any significant return. The correct answer is option C, the investor provides capital flow only to the host country. Indirect investment through the stock market provides capital flow but does not typically include the transfer of technology or management control. Question 528. His blank appearance made many feel comfortable in his moral judgments. Option A, brittle. Option B, sagacious. Option C, prolific. Option D, repressive. The correct answer is option B, sagacious. Sagacious means having or showing keen mental discernment and good judgment, which fits the context of moral authority. Question 529. He cannot do blank, but he can provide consistent and solid performance. Option A, apparitions. Option B, occupations. Option C, qualifications. Option D, miracles. The correct answer is option D, miracles. The sentence contrasts a regular solid performance with the impossible feat of performing miracles. Question 530. Rather than help to blank discourse, cable television debate programs often lead to undecipherable bickering. Option A, impede. Option B, hasten. Option C, clarify. Option D, catalyze. The correct answer is option C, clarify. The word clarify provides the correct contrast to the term undecipherable bickering. Question 531. The use of endnotes can blank the meaning of a paper and create difficulty for potential blank. Option A, obfuscate and readers. Option B, challenge and graders. Option C, reproach and creditors. Option D, highlight and critics. The correct answer is option A, obfuscate and readers. To obfuscate means to make something unclear, which would naturally create difficulty for someone trying to read the paper. Question 532. Sometimes it is better to blank one's glee if it is the result of another person's loss. Option A, express. Option B, contain. Option C, demonstrate. Option D, destroy. The correct answer is option B, contain. To contain an emotion means to restrain it, which is appropriate when someone else has suffered a misfortune. Question 533. Regardless of your blank on the ethical basis of stem cell research, you must admit that it holds considerable scientific value. Option A, inclusiveness. Option B, prowess. Option C, opinion. Option D, veracity. The correct answer is option C, opinion. The word opinion is the most natural fit for describing a person's viewpoint on an ethical debate. Question 534. Identify the error in the following sentence. A poorly performance is typical of students who take tests under pressure. Option A, poorly. Option B, is. Option C, who. Option D, under. The correct answer is option A, poorly. The adverb poorly is used incorrectly to modify the noun performance. The adjective poor should be used instead. Question 535. Identify the error in the following sentence. The Cuban Missile Crisis was averted when Kennedy struck a secret deal with the Soviets. Option A, was averted. Option B, when. Option C, struck. Option D, with the Soviets. The correct answer is option E. There is no grammatical error in this sentence, as all parts of speech and verb tenses are used correctly. Question 536. Identify the error in the following sentence. The president balked at the new constitution for it limited its powers as military leader. Option A, balked at. Option B, the new constitution. Option C, it. Option D, its. The correct answer is option D, its. The possessive pronoun it should be replaced with his or her to properly refer back to the president. Question 537. Identify the error in the following sentence. Years ago there were much films on biblical themes, now the subject is almost taboo. Option A, ago. Option B, much. Option C, on. Option D, now. The correct answer is option B, much. The word much is used for uncountable nouns. Since films is a countable noun, the word many should be used. Question 538. Identify the error in the following sentence. Some people believe that among rap, country and popular music, rap is better. Option A, some people. Option B, believe. Option C, among. Option D, better. The correct answer is option D, better. When comparing more than two things, the superlative form best should be used instead of the comparative form better.